same, right? So we are going to learn end-to-end Tableau over here. Yes, Sheikh Sohail, all our certificates are ISO certified and internationally valid as well, right? So don't worry on that. Okay. All right, guys. Time is up. I hope you are ready now, and I hope that you have got your piece of pen and paper ready with you, and I hope you have got your glass of water ready with you as well, so that you can step in between. And now, guys, we are going to move ahead with the roadmap of this particular masterclass. What are we going to learn in this particular masterclass? It's very important for us to know that, right? So let us move ahead with the roadmap now. Perfect. So again, guys, a very warm welcome to the Data and Business Analytics live hands-on webinar in specialization with Tableau, the number one data visualization tool, and ChatGPT, the number one AI tool available in the market, right? So we are going to learn both of these tools in this particular masterclass in a practical hands-on learning manner. And my name is Rakshit. As you all know that I am the Director of Analytics Department under Jobaj Learning. And again, I welcome all of you in this live hands-on masterclass right now. Okay, so a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. And now we are going to move ahead with the roadmap of this particular webinar. So first of all, guys, we are going to spend some time in understanding the fundamental concepts of Tableau, because this workshop is in specialization with Tableau, right? So first of all, the fundamentals of Tableau will be understood over here, like what is Tableau, why do we need Tableau, what are the important tools and technologies we can learn along with Tableau if you want to get into the analytics domain, what are the industrial use case of tools like Tableau, so or what kind of job profiles you can apply for once you have Tableau as a primary skill. So first of all, we are going to spend some time in understanding these fundamental concepts over here, right? After this, guys, we are going to move towards data preparation. We are going to make sure that we transform the data, we clean the data, and we prepare the data end to end. I am going to give you a real-time Amazon data set, and we are going to use that data set so that we can clean, transform, and analyze that data. Okay. And we are going to take help of ChatGPT for that. ChatGPT is going to be the AI tool for us so that we can clean, transform, and analyze the data end to end. After this, guys, we are going to use that data in Tableau, right? And we are going to build a dashboard right from basics on Tableau over there, right? We are going to build a end-to-end visualization solution on Tableau over there, right? Once we build a solution, I am going to show you how can we integrate AI powered analytics in our dashboards. What is AI powered analytics? What are some advanced charts and visuals that we can use for ourselves, right? And so on. So this way, again, we are going to leverage the power of AI as well in our dashboards. And then, guys, on day 2, we are going to learn about SQL, structured query language. SQL is yet another very important skill to get into the analytics domain. If you don't know about it, that is fine. Right from basics, we will learn it. So practical hands-on task-based learning we are going to have on SQL as well. Along with this, you're going to have a lot of additional learning in terms of real-time job analytics, in terms of personal portfolio building. In real-time job analytics, I will guide you what kind of jobs are there into the analytics domain, what kind of jobs are there for freshers, for experienced professional, what kind of skills HRs are looking for. In personal portfolio building session, I will be showing you my own project-based portfolio, some of my students' project-based portfolio as well, who have successfully cracked a job role into the analytics domain. Then, guys, I will be showing you my demo analytical based resume so that you can get some inspiration out of it. And at the end, we are going to have a live questions and answer session where you can ask any question to me, and I am more than happy to guide you and assist you with all your questions whatsoever. This is going to be your roadmap to make your weekend super duper productive. I hope you are excited to learn all these things along with me. I am super excited to teach you all these things. So on this note, let us move ahead and let me quickly introduce myself to you as well. So again, guys, my name is Rakshit. I am a data enthusiast who loves teaching and mentoring. Along with this, I am a Microsoft certified data analyst. I am Power BI PL300 certified, Tableau desktop specialist by Tableau, 98381 Microsoft Technology Associate, HackerRank SQL Gold Medalist, trained 40 to 100 plus learners across the analytics domain. I have also written a research paper autonomous book sorter system which got published in researchgate.net. And along with this, guys, I have worked with companies like PwC, PepsiCo, Uno Minda, Cargill with a cumulative analytics experience of more than 7 years, which is still continuing, right? So this is my brief portfolio and background, and which makes me credible to teach you as well. Along with this, guys, at the end of the masterclass, I will also show you what kind of certifications you can target, what kind of skills you can target, so that you can replicate my portfolio end to end as well. Okay, so Shashank, right from basics we will learn about SQL when we learn about SQL. Okay, so don't worry on that. Okay, now guys, let us start with the learning, and before we start, I quickly want you to write a yes in the chat section as a token of promise that yes, we are going to stay till the end. We are going to stay interactive, we are going to stay attentive throughout the masterclass, and we will maintain the community guidelines in the chat section, right? So we have got Sahil, Bagesh, Janvi, Manoj, Sanjana, Navya, Imran. We have got Pakriti, Geeta, Harsh, Varsha. We have got Stavan, Palak. We have got Sai, Pallavi, Aisha, Sushil, Arpit, Prabhu, Anand, Anjali, Sneha, Palli. We have got a lot of other students as well. Thank you so much, guys, for confirming. We have got again Anita, right? We have got Mangal, Amit, Padmashri, right, and other students also. So again, thank you so much, guys, for confirming. All right, thank you so much, guys. Let us start now with our learning. Okay. Now the first thing, guys, that I'm going to do over here is I am going to introduce you, right, towards Tableau. What is Tableau? Why do we need Tableau, right, and so on. So first of all, before we go to practical hands-on learning on Tableau, let me quickly guide you on some basic fundamental learning of Tableau first of all, guys, so that you can get some idea out of it. Okay, so let us start now. And before I cover Tableau, let me quickly talk something about Microsoft Excel. So guys, all of you have worked on Excel, right? Whether you are a student or a working professional or a career dropout, all of us have worked on Microsoft Excel out there. Now, what do we do in Excel? We can clean our data in Excel. We can store our data in Excel. We can model our data in Excel. We can build dashboards in Excel as well, right? You can visualize your data also. So Excel is a full-fledged data analytics tool. All the type of data analysis is possible on Microsoft Excel as well, right? But understand that Excel is not a big data tool. Excel can only handle limited amount of data. Excel can only handle less than 1 million rows, right? Not more than that. 1 million means 10 lakh, right? So Excel can only handle less than 10 lakh rows out there. Now understand, guys, that 10 lakh rows is not a very big number. 1 million rows is generated just in one day, specifically in FMCG sector, in e-commerce sector. It is generated in few days in supply chain sector, in healthcare sector. So it is not a very big number. And that is where big data tools like Tableau comes into picture, which can analyze huge amount of data, humongous data, which can analyze multi-million rows of data as well. For example, right now the project I am working upon is having around 29 million rows, and tools like Tableau are able to handle that without any delay or without getting crashed. That is the first subtle difference between big data tools like Tableau to regular analytics tools like Microsoft Excel. Now guys, let me also quickly guide you towards some functionalities of Tableau out there. First of all, understand that your big data, your huge amount of data is stored in multiple locations. Your big data can be stored in SAP database. Your big data can be stored in Salesforce database, right? Your big data can be stored in AWS database or Azure database. Your big data can be stored in Excel also, right? Excel, Google Sheets, and so on. If you have not heard about these names, that is perfectly fine. These are just the name of database where your data gets stored. Now, Tableau has got 70 plus specialized data connectors so that it can connect to different type of data sources and it can extract the data in Tableau system. Okay, that is the first most important thing that we have to do, right? That we can connect to different type of data sources and extract the data, millions of rows, multi-millions of rows, without any delay or without it getting crashed, right? Data extraction is the first most important and fundamental part out there. Now, guys, the next thing is data transformation, right? In data transformation, you can clean your data, you can filter your data end to end, right? That is very, very important, because if you will not clean your data, right, you have to work on garbage data then, right? Garbage data will result in garbage insights. So, it is very important to clean your data, transform your data, prepare your data, filter your data so that your data is ready for the analysis, right? And tools like Tableau can do that. Now, once your data is properly transformed, guys, the next step is for data visualization. You can visualize your data as well, end to end, with the tools like Tableau. You can build multiple type of charts and visuals, whether it is clustered bar chart, whether it is scatter plot, whether it is donut charts, whether it is pie charts, whether it is area map, and so on. So you can build multiple type of visualization as well in tools like Tableau out there. Okay, and Tableau is in fact the number one data visualization tool out there, right? So we can basically use its visualization techniques to summarize our data, right? Because you've got a lot of data, you have to summarize that data, and you do that in the form of beautiful charts and visuals. Now, guys, along with this, you can build a end-to-end dashboard as well in Tableau. You can combine all the visuals at a single place, which is known as a dashboard, right? And you can build a end-to-end dashboard also in tools like Tableau out there. Apart from that, guys, you will see that there are a lot of AI powered analytics that you can do in tools like Tableau also. There is a lot of AI powered feature, next generational analytics feature in tools like Tableau that we can integrate. And I'm going to show you such AI powered charts in this particular masterclass as well, so that you understand its application. And at the end, guys, Tableau is a great tool for data storytelling. You can tell a good story, and as an analytical professional, you have to tell a good story with the help of your data. For example, my sales is maximum in the south region, driven by Bangalore. Electronics is my top category. Home appliance is my least, selling category. This is my month over month growth, year over year growth, and so on. So basically, you can tell a good story with the help of your big data skills as well, right? So right from data extraction to data storytelling, you can do everything in tools like Tableau. Okay, so I hope you understand this part, guys. Now the next thing that I'm going to touch upon over here is what are some features of Tableau out there. So first of all, you're going to see that Tableau has been ranked as the industry leader by Gartner in business intelligence and analytics platform. So Gartner is a billion-dollar research and consulting firm, and it has ranked Tableau as the industry leader in business intelligence and analytics platform from the last 7 years. And if Gartner is recommending something, it is taken very seriously by Fortune 500 companies out there. Along with this, guys, on Naukri.com, we have got more than 60,000 job openings, 2,100 plus for freshers as well by the keyword of Tableau. And we will validate all these numbers when we will do a real-time job analytics. Along with this, Tableau as a tool is estimated to be worth more than $2 billion into the analytics domain, and it is growing at a CAGR rate of 13.6%. Any industry, any tool which is growing beyond 12% is considered a highly exponentially growing industry, and Tableau is one of them. Apart from this, guys, LinkedIn also release a list of important skills every year, right? Because it has got a lot of HR data, it has got a lot of job data. So for 2023 also, LinkedIn has ranked Tableau as one of the most in-demand skill. So if LinkedIn is recommending it, that means a lot of companies are posting about it as well. Apart from this, guys, if you are a fresher and if you are certified in Tableau, then as per Glassdoor, you can earn an average salary of 8 lakhs per annum. If you have some experience, it can be much more than this as well. So these are some features and functionalities of Tableau that I wanted to discuss initially so that you get some idea. Of course, we are going to have practical hands-on learning as well. Don't worry on that. So I really hope, guys, that you are writing notes, and feel free to take some screenshots as well. Okay, that is perfectly fine. How is it different from Power BI? So we will be discussing about the difference of Tableau and Power BI in our slide number 5. Don't worry on that. Okay, Sahil. All right. Any questions so far, guys? I'll give you 5 seconds and then we will move ahead.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that is good. Anjali, Azure is a platform where you can store your data. Okay.
Okay.
It is a platform of Microsoft.
Okay.
Uh, See, certificate, Anjali, is not the ultimate goal. Ultimate goal should be learning. Do you have the relevant projects? Do you have the relevant portfolio in tools like Tableau? All right, it's clear. Okay. So now let us move ahead, guys, to the second point, which is very, very important, which is what kind of job profiles you can apply for once you have Tableau as a primary skill for yourself. Okay. So let us talk about different type of job profiles that we can apply for out there. So first of all, guys, you're going to see we have got data analyst. Data analyst is one of the most prominent job opening, right, of 21st century, with 61,000 plus job openings, 2,350 plus for freshers as well. And all this data is taken from Naukri.com out there. Along with this, we have got business analyst. A lot of people also ask me the difference between data analyst and business analyst as well. So let us quickly cover some differences out there. So first of all, guys, understand that 95% of the task that a analyst do, a business analyst will also do that. For example, data extraction, data manipulation, data transformation, data visualization, presentation skills, and so on. Both of these professionals are going to do that, whether it is data analyst or business analyst out there. Now understand that sometimes business analyst is also responsible to understand the business behind the data. They try to understand that how my insights, how my data analysis is going to impact the business at the end, how they will be able to take data driven decisions with the help of my insight. So they also think from the perspective of business, and data analysts are very strong in data manipulation, transformation, visualization. So they are responsible to get the solution implemented as soon as possible. However, guys, both are interchangeable job roles. A requirement of a data analyst can be from a business analyst as well. Both are interchangeable job roles. Hence, if you are an analytics aspirant, you can target both of these job openings, whether it is data analyst or business analyst. Along with this, we have got data scientists as well. Data scientists are also analytical professional. They also analyze, extract, transform data, model, filter data, visualize data. In addition to this, they might do some advanced analytics also, guys. For example, they might build some prediction models that what kind of sales we are going to have in the next 3 months, right? So they might do some predictive analytics as well. So this way they can do some advanced analytics also out there. Okay. Along with this, we have got dashboard and visualization specialist. We have got business intelligence specialist. We have got analytics consultant and analytics associate as well, in case you are targeting companies like PwC. We have got EY, we have got BCG, Bain, McKinsey. So over there, we have got analytics consultants and analytics associate. Along with this, guys, we have got Tableau developer also. Tableau developer is also an analytical professional, but they analyze the data in specialization with Tableau. Tableau is their primary weapon. Okay, so there are different type of job profiles which are available for us. You don't have to be obsessed with a single job profile out there, that I will only become a data analyst and so on. All these job profiles you will be eligible for, because the skills required for these job profiles are more or less same, and the work that you are going to do in these job profiles is also going to be more or less same. Along with this, guys, there is no educational barrier to get into the analytics domain. For example, I am from electronics and communication domain out there, right? And my mentor is from electrical domain out there. And sorry, my mentor is from mechanical domain out there. And we both have switched our career into the analytics sector. So there is no educational qualification barrier. Along with this, guys, I've got multiple students from mechanical domain, from civil domain, from BCom domain, BSc domain, BCA domain, HR domain, marketing domain, or career gappers as well, who have switched their careers into the analytics sector. So again, there is no hardcore educational qualification barrier to get into the analytics domain. However, guys, sometimes your educational qualification can help you as well. It can open some additional opportunities for you. For example, if you are from BCom domain, if you are from finance domain, then you can also apply for financial data analyst job profiles, right? Where you will be analyzing financial data specifically, balance sheet data specifically. Similarly, if you are from supply chain domain, you can go for supply chain data analyst. Especially after COVID, the demand of supply chain data analyst grew exponentially, where you will be analyzing supply chain data. Similarly, we have got sales data analyst, HR data analyst, healthcare data analyst, and marketing data analyst as well. These are all domain specific analytical job roles where your domain knowledge will help you, right? For example, HR data analyst, only a HR person can apply for HR data analyst, okay, because they will be analyzing and working upon HR data over there. Okay, so sometimes you can apply for domain level job roles as well, but these are the core job openings. For example, data analyst, business analyst, analytical associate, consultant, scientist, Tableau developers, and so on. These are core analytical job openings. Okay, so I hope you understand that, and feel free to take some screenshots as well, it will help you. Okay, so now let me check some questions as well. What is custom SQL as a connector? So basically we can connect to SQL as well using tools like Tableau and Power BI, right? Power BI has got data connectors so that it can connect to different type of data sources, Divyanshu, right? So SQL is one of the data connector, right? How about Snowflake? So Snowflake is a platform, Karthik, where you can dump huge amount of data, right? For example, you have got 100 million rows, and you can simply create pipelines to basically dump that data on Snowflake. Now on Snowflake, you can clean the data as well. You can create views on your data if you know about it, right? And you can run your SQL codes as well on Snowflake. You can connect to Snowflake through Power BI as well to visualize the data and so on. Okay. All right. Tableau is basically a data visualization and business intelligence tool, Sadhya, right? Okay. Tableau is open source. No, it is not open source. It is acquired by Salesforce, right? Salesforce is the parent company of Tableau, right? All right. Tableau is a part of Salesforce, Nandini. Okay. All right. Let me. Yes. All of you are equally eligible. Anjali, your branch is perfectly eligible. Don't worry on that. Okay. All right. I am from arts. If you are from arts, then Diti, then you can switch your career to get into the analytics domain if you have the right skills, right knowledge, right projects, right portfolio, right, right. I would say certificates, right resume, right mentorship, right, and correct referrals. Then all of you are equally eligible to get into the analytics domain, right? Okay. All right. Is under yes. When we will do our real-time job analytics, Sumit Doshi, we will do for both freshers and experienced professionals, so you can get an idea over there, right? RVC industrial, yes, you can do that, right? In fact, you can apply for off-campus placements and off-campus internships as well, Rishika. I can guide you on that, right? All right. Power BI and Tableau differences we will discuss, Bathul Sultana, in some time. Don't worry on that. That is perfectly fine. I have got Vinay, who is from BSc domain as well, Sheikh, right? He has also switched his career into the analytics domain. Already working as a data analyst. That is good, Amruta, right? That is very good. Okay. Having skills like Tableau for a person who is pursuing MBA in marketing, what again you can go for senior marketing data analyst job openings. I have got a student whose name is Kavya, right? She is also from marketing background and she got placed as a marketing data analyst in Deloitte, Australia. Okay. Remaining skills, I will be guiding you on that, Sahil, right? Don't worry on that. Similarly, if you are from MBA from finance, you can go for senior financial data analyst job roles as well, right, Abhishek? Okay. All right. Now, guys, again, that is perfectly fine, Pratik. If you are in first year, second year, third, fourth year, that is perfectly fine. The earlier you start learning, the better it is for you, right? Because when the placement companies will come in your college, it will help you a lot, right? Okay. Along with this, I have 10 years experience. That is very good, Amruta. Okay. Banking in 8.5 years. So every bank have a dedicated analytics department to analyze the transactional data. You can go for internal job postings as well, right? So I will be guiding you on that. Let me quickly guide you and give you some perspective learning right now, guys. Now we will understand that how tools like Tableau are used in different domains out there, right? So first of all, understand that tools like Tableau are used in finance domain, right? So in finance domain, we have got something known as financial data analyst, and they analyze the financial data, financial numbers, right, for their business stakeholders. For example, we have got numbers like net operating profit before tax, we have got operating cash flow, we have got profit after tax, contribution margin, and so on. So you're going to see that we have got multiple types of important financial numbers that we need to report to the business on quarterly level, on monthly level. And earlier all this work was done on Microsoft Excel. But now, since the data is increasing at a very rapid pace, tools like Excel is not sufficient, and that is where tools like Tableau comes into picture. Apart from that, we have got healthcare data analyst job profiles as well, right? People who are from healthcare domain. Again, multiple big MNC research institute hire for that. They might do some advanced analytics or predictive analytics also. Right? They might analyze patient level data, healthcare data. For example, they might make conclusions like a particular patient who is 42 years of age is a male having average insulin level of 120, thyroid level of 20, will develop blood pressure issues when they will go to 45 years of age with 90% chances. So this way they can build highly accurate data models for themselves as well. Along with this, guys, we have got banking analytics. Every bank will have a dedicated analytics department. You can take an example of any bank out there, whether it is HSBC, HDFC, American Express, Citibank, and so on. For example, we have got American Express, and American Express is in the business of giving credit cards to their customers. And since they are giving them credit cards, they are also giving them money. And wherever, guys, money is involved, banks have to be very cautious that their money is getting used in a proper way or not. Is there any potential money laundering happening or not? That is why they have a dedicated analytics team who analyze the transactions data in real time, and they might generate alerts as well in case they find something suspicious. Then we have got supply chain data analyst. As I told you that especially after COVID, the demand of supply chain data analyst grew exponentially. They analyze real-time supply chain data, for example, manufacturer data, wholesalers data, retailers data, end consumers data, and they help business in taking real-time supply chain decisions. Similarly, we have got marketing data analyst as well, people who are from marketing domain, and again, they basically multi-million dollar marketing campaigns are run on platforms like Meta, Gmail, YouTube, and they analyze the data behind those marketing campaigns. For example, what is the customer acquisition cost in a marketing campaign, what is the return on investment in a marketing campaign, and so on. And they help business in strategizing that in which campaign we should put in more money and so on, right? Then, guys, we have got sales data analyst, people who are from sales domain and are certified into the analytical skills as well. They might build some prediction models, what is going to be my sales in the next 3 months. They might do some classification analytics. They might classify their customers. For example, a particular customer who is 32 years of age is a male, right? Is married, right? And he is having two children, is more likely to buy a life insurance because they are worried about their family, right? So this way, guys, basically, they can do classification analytics. They can classify their customers, which customer are their top hot leads customers, and so on. Then we have got HR data analyst. HR data is also growing at a very rapid pace in almost all the organizations. They analyze important numbers like attrition rate, retention rate, cost per hire, right, time per hire, and so on, right? Along with this, we have got logistic analytics. Companies like FedEx is hiring into that very aggressively. We have got manufacturing analytics. Companies like Uno Minda is hiring into that. We have got over here sports data analysts. Companies like Hotstar is hiring into that. So this way you're going to see that we have got multiple domain level experience or domain level use case of tools like Tableau of analytics. And that is why I mentioned that you can get into domain level or domain specific analytical job roles as well. For example, sales data analyst, HR data analyst, healthcare data analyst, marketing data analyst, and so on. All these are domain specific analytics job role. Along with this, you can get into core analytical job roles as well, like data analyst, business analyst, analytical associate, consultant, right? These are the core analytical job openings that we can apply for as well. Okay, so I hope you got some perspective over here on how analytics is used in different domains out there. All right. Okay. So now, on this note, I'm working in Splunk. Is Tableau helpful to shift my career from Splunk? I don't have much idea about Splunk, to be honest, Indira. I have to check it. But again, if you feel that you are dealing with data, and if you want to deal with data, right, or if you want to get into the analytics domain, big data domain, then Tableau is a great tool to start from. Okay. All right. Now, guys, let me quickly move ahead and guide you that what are the important skills you need to learn, right, to get into the analytics domain. And again, Tableau is a great skill that we can master, guys, no doubt in that. But along with Tableau, are there any other skills that we should master? Definitely, there are other skills. For example, first of all, as I mentioned to you, Tableau is the #1 data visualization tool. It's a great skill for us to learn and super high in demand. #1 visualization tool. But along with Tableau, we have got other skills as well. For example, we have got Power BI. Power BI is the number one business intelligence tool out there. Super high in demand again. And a lot of students usually ask me the difference between Tableau and Power BI also. So let me very quickly guide you on this, guys. First of all, understand, guys, both are big data tool. Both are used to analyze huge amount of data. Both the tools are responsible for data extraction, data manipulation, data transformation, data visualization, data modeling. Both the tools can do that, whether it is Tableau or whether it is Power BI. Now, understand, guys, that I have worked with four MNCs till now: PwC, PepsiCo, Uno Minda, Cargill, and all the four MNCs. Tools, both the tools, Tableau and Power BI, are used aggressively in their projects. So both the tools are super high in demand, but there are some differences as well out there. For example, Power BI is the number one business intelligence tool, and it is very, very strong in integration because it is a Microsoft product. It can integrate very well with other Microsoft products like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft SharePoint, and so on. And Power BI is very strong in data transformation as well. It can transform your data very, very effectively. Okay. And Tableau is very strong in visualization. Its visualization capabilities are very, very strong, and it is very strong in dashboarding skills as well. So you can build some really highly interactive, visually appealing dashboards in Tableau, and it is easy to use for the clients, right? It is easy to use for the clients also. So both are of equal importance, but there are some differences as well, which I have mentioned out there. Along with this, guys, we have got other skills as well. For example, Microsoft Excel. You cannot ignore Excel at any cost. It is the most fundamental, very important skill out there. There are a lot of analytical based concepts in Excel like pivot table, power query, power pivot, lookups, indexing, analytical formulas and function, dashboarding skills. So make sure you learn end to end Excel as well for yourself. Along with this, guys, we have got SQL, structured query language. SQL is the number one database language, and it's a mandatory skill. And on day two, we will learn about SQL as well. It's a number one database language that you can learn. Apart from this, guys, we are all living in the era of AI, as you all know that. So there are a lot of AI skills. For example, we have got Chat GPT. For example, we have got Copilot. For example, we have got Gemini, right? So there are a lot of AI skills as well available in the market. And if you can master these AI skills, it will help you a lot in separating yourself from the crowd, right? So you have to be AI workforce ready as well. So these are the skills that I would recommend you if you want to get into the analytics domain. These are the mandatory skills out there, guys. Along with this, there are some optional skills as well. For example, we have got Python, we have got NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, statistical concept. Again, there are a lot of add-on skills. You can learn as many add-on skills as you want, but these are the mandatory skills that you should learn, for yourself, that you can master for yourself. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Now, guys, this ends our theoretical learning into the analytics domain, because after this we are going to start with the practical hands-on learning, and I'm going to give you some time to settle down before we start the practical hands-on learning. Till then, let me check some questions out there as well. So Akash says, what about agriculture? So again, a lot of real-time sensors are deployed to soil to understand what is the right amount of chemical, pesticides, water, sunlight is required, right, to get the maximum yield out of that crop, and all that is real-time data. Without having HR background, can we join as HR analyst? I would not recommend you, Padmashri, if you don't have HR background. You can get into core analytical job openings, right? For example, data analyst, business analyst, analytical associates, and so on. If you are in first year, Divita, it's a great thing. You can do a kickstart, right? And you can get ahead of your peers as well. So the earlier you start, the better it is for you. Start building some good projects, start building a good portfolio. It will help you a lot when the placement companies will come in your college. Is visualization companies still skills companies looking for? Of course, right? You have to be good at visualization, because ultimately when you clean your data and when your data set is ready, you have to visualize your data. That is very good, Sayan Jana, right? Your background is very good. BSc, 15 years, MBA project management, please guide, so you can get into senior analytical job roles as well, right? Or if you feel that you analyze data, or if you feel that in your project management, right, if you are analyzing a data team, or you have to take decisions with the help of data, then of course upskilling yourself into big data skills like analytics will always help you. All right. Along with this, 6 months of career gap in job. 6 months is not a very big career gap, right, Anand? 6 months is not a very big career gap. Don't worry on that. In how many time I can learn these mandatory skills? Lavanya, I think I would recommend that 4 months is a good amount of time that you can spend in learning and upskilling, right? Mohammed Nooran, you can get into senior analytical job roles as well, sales analytics, right? Because you are from sales domain. If you want to leverage your basically experience into the sales sector, okay. All right. Apart from this, it is compulsory to have 80 soft skills for data scientists. 80 soft skills. What is 80 soft skills, right? I did not understand that, Janvi. Maybe you can rephrase that question a little bit. After I learned Tableau, can I apply for job? I would recommend you, Shri Krishna, at least learn mandatory skills like Tableau, Power BI, Excel, and SQL, and then you will be basically industry ready as well. Okay. All right. Second year BCom Commerce, that is good. You can go for you can go for financial data analyst job roles as well. I've got multiple students, Pratham Bansal, I've got Vinay Kumar, and so on, right? Okay. Shell scripting is not required. These are the skills which are required. Okay. You don't have to be from an IT background, guys. All of us are equally eligible to be a part of it. Okay. Now let me boost your confidence as well, since a lot of you are asking similar type of questions. So guys, we have got, again, it is not to boast but just to boost your confidence. Let me quickly open Jobaj learning YouTube, right? So you are going to see that we post on bi-weekly manner, every alternate week. We post bunch of success stories out there for our own students, and these are all students of my batch. And again, you're going to see over here, we have got we have got Sahiba cleared 8 rounds of interview to become a data analyst in Wipro. We have got Rishi getting placed as a data analyst as well, right? Along with this, you're going to see we have got Abhinaya getting placed as a HR data analyst in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Along with this, we have got Kavya that I was talking about getting placed as a marketing data analyst in Deloitte, Australia. And you will see we have got over here Akshay as well, right? Who is from sales profile, backend profile, switching his career, right? Along with this, we have got over here Shivam from BCA to data analytics domain, right? Along with this, we have got Hafsha Wahab, we have got Darshan, who took a career gap and he bridged his career gap to get into the data consulting domain. Along with this, we have got Hafsa Wahab from research background to a data consultant. We have got Sri Shanti, Wood McKenzie, she got placed as a data analyst, and so on, right? We have got bunch of other students as well. For example, we have got Julie, we have got Sandeep from teaching domain to a data consultant, Manikanta, sales, customer support domain to a data analyst, and so on. So again, bunch of success story we post for our previous batch students on every alternative week. And again, all these are public so that everyone can learn from these students who have switched their career. So again, if they can do that, why can't we? So all of us are equally eligible to be a part of it if you have the right skills, right knowledge, right projects, right mentorship, right resume. Either you can go into domain specific job roles or you can go into core analytical job roles as well. Okay, both of these job roles you can target for yourself. All right, and now I would like to take your feedback, guys. That do you want me to continue with the Q&A, questions and answer round? That is option number 1 for us. Option number 2 is first learn and practice and then do a Q&A. Okay, so you have to tell me in the chat section only once, Soma Shekaran. Okay, only once. So do you want me to continue with option number 1, which is Q&A, option number 2, which is learn and practice and then do a Q&A? I will go by your approach because ultimately the webinar is for you, right? Okay, so let me check. More than 90% of you are saying option number 2. So we will go by that approach only. And don't worry, at the end, guys, once we complete the learning, we are going to have an extensive questions and answer round as well, where you can ask any question to me on one-to-one basis, and I'm going to answer all your questions out there. Okay. Now let me quickly open the requirement document because we have to practice as well for today. And this is our requirement document, guys, which simply states that, hey Rakshit, we welcome you on board as our analytics partner. We are excited to kickstart with our first project. Please find attached the sales data and let us know when the solution is ready. Regards, Ellison, Analytics Manager, Amazon. So, Analytics Manager of Amazon has reached out to us so that we can work on their sales data out there, right? So let me quickly download this sales data, guys, and this is raw sales data which has been downloaded. I will give you the link as well, don't worry on that. Let me quickly open it up. And you see, whenever you purchase something from platforms like Amazon, Flipkart and all, so your data gets captured, and the sales team of company like Amazon analyze your data to understand their customers better, right? So you're going to see that over here we have got again order ID, right? Order ID is a unique ID for every order. For example, you are placing order, I am placing order. Both of us will have a different order ID out there. Then we have got order date, the date at which the order got placed, right? Then we have got ship date, the date at which the order got shipped to the customer out there. After that, guys, we have got customer details, like what is the email ID and what is the geographical location of the customer. After that, I have got product details, like what is the name of the product and what is the category of the product which is getting sold from my website. Then, guys, I've got some numerical data, like what is the sales, what is the quantity, and what is the profit we are having at the end of the day. So as a good analytical professional, we have to understand this data as well, right? So first of all, we have got order details, then we have got customer details, then we have got product details, and at last we have got numerical data like sales, quantity, and profit out there. Okay. Now I am going to give you the link of this data set as well, so that you can also practice along with me. And today, guys, I have got around 277 participants right now live with me. So if I will give you a single link, it will crash. That is why I am going to give you 4 different links in the chat section. You may click on any one of the link, whether it is your first link, second link, third link or fourth link. Any one of the link you may click upon and the data will get downloaded for you. I am going to share with you the link in the chat section, right? So any one link you can click upon. Please don't click on all the links, guys. Any one link and the data will get downloaded for you, right? So quickly do that. I'm going to give you around 10 seconds for this, okay? Not more than that, 10 seconds, because you just have to click on it. And guys, if you have joined through mobile phone, all the mobile phone users, I would recommend you to focus on my screen. You will be getting all these notes link, all these dataset links in your email ID as well, so that you can practice at later point of time, right? So if you have joined through mobile phone, I would recommend you to focus on my screen, write some notes for yourself as well, right? So that you can stay interactive throughout the learning of this particular masterclass, right? And feel free to take screenshots also. Okay, so I hope, guys, that you have downloaded the data set. Okay, and now let me quickly do one thing. Let me quickly give you the link of notes as well, right? So today we are going to build notes for ourselves also. So let me quickly open the notes and give it to you in the chat. I'm going to give you again, guys, 4 notes link, as you can see over here. You may click on any one of the link and the notes will get open for you, right? So today we are going to maintain notes as well, and these are Google Word document. Initially you will see blank notes. As we start learning and upskilling, we are going to maintain our notes as well for ourselves, right? So let me quickly give you the links in the chat section. You may click on any one link, guys, and the notes will get open. Please don't click on all the links, just one link and the notes will get open for you. Okay, all right. Now, guys, the next thing that I'm going to do over here is, let us maintain some notes out there also. So let me quickly write Tableau download and installation instruction. Okay, now in case there's someone who has not downloaded Tableau yet and who want to do that, who want to practice along with me, so I'm going to give you the link of Tableau as well in your notes. Guys, again, if you have joined through mobile phone, I would recommend you to focus on my screen. At later point of time, you will get all these notes and everything in your email ID also. Don't worry on that. Okay. So let me quickly copy this and paste it across all your notes. You just have to click on any one link. You remember, right? All the notes will contain same data. Now the second thing is, let me quickly write over here the raw data set link out there, right? So in case there is someone who was not able to download the raw data set, this is the raw data set link, guys, that you can refer to in your notes. Okay, so let me quickly copy that, okay, and paste it in your notes out there. Okay, and the third thing that I'm going to give you is the chat GPT link. So today, guys, we are going to work on chat GPT also, as I told you, right? So let me quickly open chat GPT. I have got chat GPT premium version, but today we are going to use the basic version because basic version is free of cost. Okay, now I'm going to give you the chat GPT link as well in your notes as well as in your email ID, so that you can simply open that and we can work on that, right? Some students are asking for notes link again. Don't worry, I will share it with you. Let me check how many students have joined. So we have got around 34 participants on notes 1. We have got around 18 participants on notes 2, 28 on notes 3, and 22 participants on notes 4. That is good, guys. We are equally distributed. Some students who are asking for notes link again, I will share with you notes number 3 and 4 link, because that has got the least number of participants as of now. You may simply click on any one of the link, guys, and the notes will get open for you. Just go through these notes once, just go through them. Very simple instructions are written in your notes, and everything is there in your notes, guys, right? Your Tableau download and installation instruction is also there in your notes. Your raw data set is also there in your notes, and your chat GPT link is also there in your notes, right? So quickly just go through these notes. I will be giving you around 20 seconds for that, and then we will move ahead with our actual learning, where we are going to transform your data, right? So I'm going to give it 20 seconds. I will be back in 20 seconds, guys. I'll just get a glass of water for myself, and then we will start. Okay, so your 20-second timer starts from now. All right, let us start now. Time is up, so I hope you have gone through these notes, guys, and everything is there in your notes. Abhinaya, your dataset link is also there in your notes. Your chat GPT link is also there in your notes, right? And your Tableau download and installation instruction is also there in your notes. Just go through these notes once, okay? Everything is there in your notes. All right. Now, guys, let us start with our learning, and today we are going to do some data transformations over here as well. For example, over here, I have had a discussion with the business stakeholders. So as an analytical professional, you need to discuss with the business stakeholders as well. What do they want? So they have mentioned that they want a status column. They want to analyze their data by status. For example, how many orders are delayed, how many orders are on time, right? So they want to do that status wise analysis. And the logic for that is very simple. If the difference between ship date and order date is greater than 4 days, okay? If the difference between ship date and order date is greater than 4 days, then it is a delay. Otherwise, it is on time. That is the logic that we have got. Okay, so let us try to create and do some data transformation over here. And once we do some basic data transformation, then we are going to visualize the data, right? And guys, again, stay with me till the end so that you can get the maximum benefit out of it. And even if you are not practicing, make sure that you at least write some notes for yourself, take some screenshots for yourself. It will help you a lot. Okay, so now let us start. Now, guys, what we have to do, as I told you, we have to create a status column. How do I create a new column? You all know that, right? In case you don't know, it's very simple. Simply click on this letter D above email ID, and the email ID column will get selected. Okay, simply click on letter D above email ID. Email ID column will get selected. Then you have to right click, and then you have to click on insert. Okay, so select the email ID column. right click and click on insert. A new column will be inserted. I am going to give you 5 seconds for that. Okay, so quickly insert a new column. Right. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Rohit and Akanksha, for confirming. So once you insert a new column, guys, you have to give the column a name. For example, the name of this column for me is going to be status column, right? Because I have to basically insert status over here, right? So we have just inserted a column, Sahil, right? There is, you just have to basically select the email ID column, right click and click on insert, and a new column will be inserted. Okay, that's it. Now give this column a name called status. Now guys, we are going to use chat gpt. I am going to write a prompt on chat gpt. Okay, so simply focus on my screen. I will give you time to practice as well. Again, no, we can write the formula by ourselves also, no issues, but I'm going to give you the flavor of chat gpt out there now. So let me quickly open chat gpt and okay, I am going to write a prompt on ChatGPT which mentions that create an Excel formula to give values delay if the difference of dates in cells C2 and B2 in days is greater than 4. Otherwise, the value should be on time. Okay, so I've just given a prompt that if the difference between C2 and B2 is greater than 4, give me delay. And what is C2 and B2? This is C2 and this is B2, guys. Column C, second row is C2. This is C2, right? Let me quickly color that. And this is B2, as you can see over here, column B, second row, which is your order date. So if the difference between C2 and B2 is greater than 4, give me delay, otherwise the value should be on time. And I am going to send this prompt to ChatGPT, and you will see within fractions of seconds I have got an answer ready in front of me. I can simply click on this copy code, and once I click on this copy code, the formula is going to get copied, as you can see over here. Once the formula gets copied, I will go back to Excel and I am going to paste that formula in this status column. I can right click and paste as well, or I can do Control plus V also over here, and you will see I have got on time ready in front of me for the first order. That is how powerful and that is how magical tools like ChatGPT can be for us. Okay, that is why I wanted to give you a flavor of it. Let me quickly give you this prompt as well, guys, so that you can also practice for yourself. So let me copy this prompt and paste it across all your notes. So this is your prompt number 1. Okay, so go to your notes, copy the prompt and paste it in your own ChatGPT. Alright, I am going to give you the solution as well in case there is someone who is not able to use ChatGPT. So let me quickly give you the solution number 1 as well over here. Okay, this is solution number 1 out there. So quickly get it executed, guys. Okay, so very quickly I'll repeat it. So what you have to do, Gaurav, over here is, Nilesh, you have to copy from the notes. That is why I've given you notes, right? You can copy the prompt from your notes, not from the chat. Okay, now how do I do it? I'll very quickly repeat it, guys. First of all, select the email ID column, click on this letter D above email ID will get selected. Right click and click on insert, and a new column will be inserted. Give this column a name. The name of this column is status column, and then go back to your notes. In your notes, you can copy the prompt, paste it on ChatGPT and send it. Once you send it on ChatGPT, you are going to see that a solution will get created for us, and you can simply copy the code from there. Once you copy the code, the formula will get copied for you, and once it gets copied, go back to Excel and paste the formula in the status column. You can right click and paste it, or you can do Control plus V also, and the formula will get pasted. As you can see, we have got on time ready in front of us. Now the next thing is, guys, we have to extend this formula to all the rows. How do we extend this formula to all the rows? Simply double click at the corner of this cell. This is your cell, right? Simply double click at the corner of this cell. Just check my mouse cursor, guys. This is the corner of this cell. Double click on that. Once you double click, the formula will get copied to all the rows out there. Okay? Yeah, that is right, Asgar. ChatGPT might give you a different formula as well, but the result is going to remain the same. Okay, result is going to remain the same. uh, in my Excel, hash in order ID and order date. That is because the size of your column is very, very small, Akash, right? For example, if the size of the column is small, then in that scenario, it might give you hash, right? For example, you see. So what you can do is you can just increase the width of the column and you will be able to see proper data out there as well. Okay. Great work, Sushil, and great work, Mutu Kumar M as well. And we have got Asgar and other students also. Okay. In case, guys, you were not able to understand, don't worry on that, Shiva. We are going to repeat the concept in the next task and learn some new things as well. Okay. Now, guys, the next thing that we have to do is the business has told that, you know what, we want to find out the top 5 most profit generating customers for us. Top 5 customers generating the maximum profit for ourselves. Okay, so simply focus on this screen. Uh, again, Shri Krishna and other students, in case you were not able to get it, we will get it now in the second task. Okay, so basically the requirement is that I want to basically find out the top 5 most profit generating customers for us, but I don't have the customer name, I just have the email ID of the customer. And one pattern that I have seen over here is that first of all, I have got the name of the customer, then @gmail.com. Right? Name of the customer, then @gmail.com. So what am I going to do is I am going to extract the name from this email ID. Right? So let us quickly write a prompt for that. First of all, we will create a new column. How to create a new column? Select the email ID column, click on the letter above email ID, right? E letter is for me. Just click on it, email ID column will get selected. Right click and click on insert, guys. A new column will be inserted. 5 seconds I'm going to give you. All right, once you have inserted a new column, as you can see, we have got a new column, and you can give this column a name. The name of this column is going to be customer name, right? Because I have to extract the name of the customer from the email ID. Now let us write a new prompt to ChatGPT. Simply focus on my screen. I am going to go to ChatGPT now and write a prompt which says, write an Excel formula to extract name from email ID in F2 with as a separator, right? What is F2? Column F, second row, which is my basically email ID. Column F, second row. So I mentioned write an Excel formula to extract name from email ID in F2 with as a separator, and let me quickly send this, guys. And again, you're going to see within fractions of seconds I have got the answer. It has used a combination of left and find function out there. I can simply click on this copy code. Once I click on this copy code, the formula will get copied, as you can see. I will go back to Excel and I am going to paste the formula over here. I can simply paste it, and once I do that, you will see I've got Darren Van Huff ready in front of me. So I have successfully extracted the customer name as well from their email ID. Right. Again, that is how productive tools like ChatGPT can be for us. Let me quickly copy this prompt number 2 and paste it across your notes. So quickly get it executed. Just copy that prompt and paste it in your own ChatGPT, guys. Right. That is how you will get a feel of it. Okay, and let me quickly paste the solution as well in case there is someone who's not able to use ChatGPT. That is fine, you can refer to this solution sheet as well. Okay, solution number 2. So basically we are transforming the data. It is very important whenever you visualize your data, before visualizing you have to do certain transformation based upon the business requirement. So again, I don't want to directly go to Tableau and visualize, because I want to give you a feel of a proper project over here. Okay, all right, quickly get it done. I'll give you 10 seconds for that. Extract the name of the customer from the email ID. That is great, Sushil, Imran. Now what I have to do is we have to extend this formula to all the rows. How do you extend this formula? Very simple. There are multiple ways, but the most simplest way is simply double click at the corner of this cell. Once you double click at the corner of this cell, the formula will get replicated to all the rows out there, as you can see, right? We have got the formula replicated to all the rows out there. Okay, this is what you have to do for yourself as well. Great work, Nilesh, Rishika, Mutukumar M, Sumit, Anand. We have got Sumit Joshi, Mohammad Riaz, and other students also. Great work. Now let us move towards the last data transformation task before we start visualizing our data on tools like Tableau. Now guys, the last thing is you will see we have got this geography column, and when you will learn about advanced analytics, you will realize that this is not a very good way to store your data. Okay, over here you have got a lot of data inside a single cell. You have got the country name as well, which is United States. You have got the city as well, which is Los Angeles. You have got the state as well, which is California. So everything is there in a single cell out there, whether it is your country, whether it is your city, or whether it is your state out there. Now what I have to do is I have to basically separate this data into three different columns. One will be for country, one will be for city, and one will be for state. Country, city, and state. So let us quickly learn how to do that. So first of all guys, we have to create three new columns for country, city, and state. So simply select the category column, right click and click on insert, and a new column will be inserted. Again right click and click on insert, and again right click and click on insert. So you will see that three new columns will be inserted over here. We have got H, I, and J. Three new columns are there. Give these columns name. For example, we have got country, we have got city, and we have got state over here. Country, city, and state. Okay, so H, I, and J. Quickly do that. And now guys, again we are going to write our third and last prompt on ChatGPT. Let us check if it is going to work for us or not, right? So I am going to go back to ChatGPT now and write a prompt over there which says I have comma separated value in G2, which is my G column, my geography column. Write three Excel formulas, right? Write three Excel formulas to extract the value as comma as a separator in H2, I2, and J2, the three new columns that I have created. And I am going to send this prompt to ChatGPT, and once I do that, I have got three different formulas ready in front of me. The first one is for H2, second one is for I2, and the third one is for J2 over there. Let us quickly execute it one by one. I'm going to copy the code for H2, go back to Excel and paste it over here, and I have got United States ready in front of me. I am going to copy the formula for I2 and paste it. I have got Los Angeles ready in front of me as well. And now I'm going to copy the formula for J2 and paste it, and I have got California ready in front of me as well. That is how powerful and magical tools like ChatGPT can be for us. Okay. So now I am going to copy this prompt number 3 for us. Ideally, once you start learning Excel, you can create these formulas, or you can also follow multiple techniques to achieve the same task. But you should basically learn how to use it using generative AI tools as well, because a lot of companies are now adopting these tools so that their employees can use them effectively, right? If you can use them effectively, it will increase your productivity, right? So now let me quickly copy the formula for H2 and paste it across all your notes in case you are not able to get the right answer. This is for I2 guys, right? And the last one is for J2. So quickly get it done. Alright, there we go. So let us check how to give space between first name and last name. So Abhinaya, again you can write a prompt that insert a space wherever you encounter a capital letter in my data. This way we can create prompts, okay? So quickly get it done guys. Alright, that is good Taruna. Other students also quickly get it done. Get your three columns H, I, and J with country, city, and state labels over there, right? Quickly get it done. Alright, great work. Now guys, what you can do is you can extend this formula to all the rows. Simply double click at the corner of the cell, double click at the corner, and double click at the corner of the cell. The formula will get extended to all the rows over here, and you can save this Excel file. You can just do Control plus S and the Excel file will get saved, because we can use the same Excel file in our Tableau now. In case you were not able to clean the data along with me, no issues in that. I have got the final data set link as well over here. Let me quickly give you the final data set link over here, right? So let me copy that and paste it in your chat section. Again guys, in case you are not able to clean data, I will give you 3 final data set links. You may click on any one of the link and the data will get downloaded. Any one of the link and the data will get downloaded for yourself. Let me quickly paste the link in the chat section. You may click on any one link guys and the data will get downloaded for yourself. Let me click on the first one and check if it is working fine or not. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. So I've got the final data set link as well over here, right? Okay. Let me quickly attach this final data set link in your notes so that we can document everything properly. I'm just going to give you a single link because all the link contains same data. Right, so quickly download the final data set link guys, and in case you want to download the notes, you can do that as well. How to download the notes, right? It's very simple. You can simply click on file, then click on download, and then click on PDF. The notes will get downloaded. Click on file, then click on download, and then click on PDF. The notes will get downloaded in the PDF format. Quickly do that. Yes, Sahil, you need to learn Excel as well. You need to learn end-to-end Excel. It is just to increase your productivity. Okay. Ideally, you should be learning Excel, end-to-end Excel as well. Is this the same data set? Yes, it is same data set, but it is properly transformed and clean so that you can use it in Tableau. Sharing all this content by the, yes, you will be getting it in your email as well. All the notes, files, everything, right? Nilesh. All right. Now guys, let me quickly give you an idea of what kind of Tableau dashboard we are going to build for ourselves. Let me open my own Tableau public profile. First of all, we're going to build a beginner friendly, visually appealing and interactive dashboard, right? So let me quickly open up this Amazon raw sales sample dashboard for us. All right. And as you can see guys, that over here we have done analysis. We have done analysis of tree map, right? For example, we have analyzed sales by category over here in the form of tree map, as you can see. We have got top 10 product analysis over here as well, as you can see, and we have got time series analysis of sales and profit as well by order date. And all these charts are interactive, as you can see again. And again, let us quickly build this interactive dashboard for ourselves. And guys, the team has already given you links and instructions on how to download and Tableau, how to download and install Tableau Public. If you have already done it, that's great. You can practice along with me. I have also given you the instruction in your notes right at the top. So again, if you have already done it, you can practice along with me. In case you have not done it because of any reason, you can do it at later point of time as well, because you will be getting all these notes in your email ID also. So till then, focus on my screen, write some notes for yourself, and at later point of time, you can practice. Now, I would want you to quickly basically launch Tableau. So how do you do that? It's very simple. Go to your start button and type Tableau. Make sure you write the right spelling. Tableau, Tableau, and Tableau Public will appear in front of you in case you have installed it, right? And once you see that, just click on that, and once you click on that guys, Tableau Public will open for ourselves. It will take some time, but ultimately it will open for ourselves. And as you can see, we have got the Tableau Public right in front of us. Now the next thing that you can do over here is, you tell me in the chat section guys, what is the next step that I have to do over here once I open Tableau? If I have to analyze my data end to end, what is the next step I have to do? Yeah, that is right. Sumit Doshi, that is right. Akansha Tiwari as well. We have got Adiyasha Mohanty. We have got over here. Okay, what else? That is right. Amrita, we have got Varsha, VS Sai Vinayak, Anand Srivastav, Sushil Godugu, Murali Jagan, Rajiv Kesi. That is right. Fernandez and other students also, right? So we have to basically connect Tableau to our data. How do you connect Tableau to data? It's very simple guys. You just have to click on Microsoft Excel on the left hand side. Just click on Microsoft Excel on the left hand side. Once you click on that, you have to select your Excel file. It can be the final data set, it can be the raw data set if you have already transformed it, any one of them, and then click on open. That's it. This is how you connect Tableau to your data set, as simple as that. Once you have connected Tableau to your data set, the last step that you have to do over here is click on this sheet one, right? Sheet one, orange color button at the bottom, because this is where we can build our visualization, right? So simply click on this orange color button, sheet one at the bottom. All right. So very quickly, I'll repeat it over here, Akila. What you have to do is, first of all, launch Tableau. Just go to your start button and type Tableau, Tableau. Tableau public will appear. Just click on that. Once you click on that, Tableau desktop or Tableau public desktop is going to open. This is a software. Next step is to connect Tableau to data. How do we connect Tableau to data? Simply click on this Microsoft Excel on the left hand side. Select your data over here, guys. It can be a raw data set or final data set, and then simply click on open. Once you click on open, your Tableau will get connected to the data, and you just have to click on sheet 1 at the bottom. You will see a sheet 1 orange color button at the bottom. Simply click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to see this is your data set out there. You have got your columns on the left hand side, whether it is your category column, customer name, order date, order ID, product name, and so on. And we have got rows and columns over here as well, as you can see, right? So now guys, let us start building our visualization solution in Tableau. For example, the first visualization that we have got is, they have mentioned that they want to do a categorical analysis in the form of tree map, guys. This is known as a tree map. And how do we understand this tree map? The bigger the rectangle, the maximum is the sales. The smaller the rectangle, the smaller is the sales. For example, you will see over here, chairs is the biggest rectangle. That is why chairs has got the maximum sales of $101,000, and paper has a very small sale. That is why it has got a very small rectangle. So the area of the rectangle will decide that. Let us quickly build sales by category as a tree map now. I'm going to go back to my Tableau. Now guys, we have to build sales by category. So where is category? First of all, category is the first option over here, as you can see. So simply click on category, hold the click, don't release the click, hold the click, drag it and drop it on this rows section. That is the first step that you have to do. Simply click on category, drag it like this. You see I'm dragging it, drag, and drop it on the rows section over here. Once you drop it on the rows section, you are going to see that we will get a list of category out there. We will get a list of category out there, because I want to basically see my categories as individual rows. I want to see accessories, appliances. I want to just read my data. I want to feel my data. That is why I have dragged categories to the rows section, so that I can see each and individual category as a row. That is your step number 1. Okay, so quickly do that. 5 seconds I'm going to give you. Okay, now the next thing is, guys, we have to see sales by category. Where is sales? Sales is somewhere at the bottom. I want to see that number. I want to see what is my total sales by each category. So I am going to click on sales. I am going to drag it and drop it over this text section out there, right? I am going to drop sales over the text section, because in the text section I will get the total sales, the sum of sales over here. So I'm going to click on sales, drag it and drop it over the text over here, right? Because I want to see the textual value. I want to see the sum of sales, the total sales by each category. What is the total sales for accessories, appliances, arts, binders, and so on. So quickly do that. Great work, Sumi, Sushil, Mudu Kumar, Akila, Sushil, and Ajit. Right, good work on that. All right. So this way you will get the total sales as well by each category. Now the next step is, guys, I have to convert it to a tree map. Right now it is just a table. How to convert it to a tree map? On the top right, you will see a show me button. Simply click on this show me button on the top right, and you will see multiple charts and multiple icons, and I have to select the right icon for me. The right icon for me is 4th row, 1st column. 4th row, 1st column is my tree map. Simply click on that. Once you click on this tree map, guys, fourth row, first column, you are going to see that we will get a tree map over here. Okay. Now, once we have got a tree map, the next thing is we need to add the data labels to my data, to my chart. For example, if you will see the original chart over here, we have got data labels like what is the total sales for accessories, what is the total sales for binders, for copiers, for machines, right? We have got that number over here. Similarly, we need to have the numbers in my own tree map as well. How to have those numbers? So first of all, we need to add data labels, right? So again, what do you have to do? Simply click on sales, drag it and drop it over this label section, right? You will see this label section. Simply click on this sales, drag it. You see I'm dragging it, drag and drop it over this label section over here. Once you drop it right over the label section, you will see that we will get the data label as well. $70,000 for storage, $49,000 for copiers, and so on. So we will get proper data labels over here as well. And the last thing that we have to do is, guys, we have to give this particular sheet a proper title. Title is sheet 1. Sheet 1 is not a good title, right? So we have to give it a proper title. How do we do that? Simply double click on this sheet 1, right? I will write double click on this sheet 1, and once you double click on this sheet 1, you're going to see a box will get open and you can insert your title inside that box. For me, it is sales by category. For you, just check what is your title, and you can format this title as well. You can make it bold, italic, change the font colors and everything. And once you are done formatting your title, you can click on OK, and we have got sales by category as a title as well. And chairs, phones and tables are the top 3 most sales generating categories over here, as you can see in this tree map. All the steps are mentioned step by step over here, so you can take a screenshot also. So quickly get it done, guys. In case you were not able to understand, you will revise the concept again in the next chart, right? Zenap, all the steps are mentioned. Simply drag categories to rows, drag sales to text, convert it into a tree map, drag sales to label, and then add a data label of sales by category over here. So quickly get it done. Great work, Nitesh, Mohammed, Mona Lisa, and Akila as well. And now, guys, let us start visualizing our second part, which is that they want to get the top, or I will give you 5 more seconds, okay? Don't worry on that. Just take your time. 5 more seconds for you. Great work, Dhanishwar, Anand, Imran, Sumit, and other students also. That's great. Sai, Varsha, Pradyumna. Okay. Now let us move ahead. Why I'm not getting the label? That is, if you want to get the label, Sanjana, you have to drag sales to the label section. You see, this is label. Drop right over the label, right? And you will be able to see the data labels as well. Okay. Now, guys, the next chart that we have to build is we need to get the top 10 most profitable product for us, because we always have to focus upon the hero product. If you have watched Shark Tank, right? Shark Tank India, they will always focus upon what are your hero products, right? Because maximum sales, 80% of the sales is generated by your top few products. So let us build top 10 products by profit as a bar chart. First of all, guys, to create a new chart, we have to create a new sheet. Right now, we have created this sheet, but to create a new chart, we have to create a new sheet out there. So how do you create a new sheet? So guys, you will see that we have got 3 plus icon at the bottom, 3 plus icon, and you have to click on the first plus icon at the bottom. If you click on this first plus icon, a new sheet will get created for you. Quickly do that. Just follow my mouse cursor. Where is my mouse cursor? And just click on this first plus icon at the bottom, and a new sheet will be created. Okay? Just click on that, right? I'll give you 5 more seconds. Okay, so now once you click on it, guys, a new sheet is created, as you can see. Now we are going to revise some concepts and learn some new concepts over here as well. Now, guys, what we have to build is top 10 most profitable products, or top 10 products by profit. So where is product name over here? Product name is somewhere in the middle. So first step is going to remain same. I want to see my product name. So I'm going to click on product name, drag it and drop it over this rows section. That is going to be my step number 1. So click on this product name, drag it and drop it over the rows section over here. Once you drop it over the rows section, you are going to see that it will give me a box, and over here I can simply click on add all members, because it will give me a warning that do you want to see all the product name. Yes, I want to see all the product names. So I'll click on add all members, and all the product name will appear in front of me as individual row, as you can see, right? Okay. Now guys, the next thing that I have to do is all the same. I have to see profit by product name. So where is profit? Profit is somewhere in the middle. Same step, click on profit, drag it and drop it over this text option. Once you drop this profit to this text option, you will see the total profit by each product, sum of profit by each product. Now the next step is guys that I want to convert it to a bar chart, right? I want to convert it to the bar chart out there. So how can we do that? Step number 3 is under this show me section. We have got multiple options. I have to select the right option for me. Right option for me is third row, first column. Third row, first column is my bar chart. Simply click on that and this will get converted to a bar chart, as you can see. Alright. Now the next step is guys, I have to sort my bars in the descending order. I want to see the maximum profitable product to be at the top and least profitable product to be at the bottom. So I want to sort my bars in the descending order now. How can you do that? So under this Windows option guys, you will see a descending sorting button. Under this Windows option, you will see a descending sorting button. Bigger bar, middle bar and smallest bar. That means you want to sort your data in the descending order. So simply click on this icon guys, simply click on this button right under this Windows, you will see that, and your bars will get sorted in the descending order. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. Alright, you just have to click on it, and guys now you will see that your bars are sorted in the descending order over here, right? Maximum profitable product is at the top and minimum one is at the bottom. Now the next thing is I want to add the data label to this, right? I want to see the data label as well by each product name. What is that exact profit? I want to get that. So same step I'm going to follow. I'm going to click on this profit, drag it and drop it to this label section. Once I drop it to this label section, you will see that profit will appear by each product name as well, right? We will get the numbers over here also. So quickly get it done. Just drag this profit to this label and you will be able to see the total profit as well over here. All right, great progress. Now the next step is very important guys. I want to find out the top 10 most profitable product. I don't want to see all the products out there, only the top 10 most profitable product, right? So now I have to filter my product name. How can I filter my product name? I will click on this product name, I will drag it and I will drop it inside this filter section. Very, very important. Simply click on your product name, drag it like this. You see I'm dragging it, drag and drop it over this filter section over here. Once you drop it over the filter section and just release your mouse cursor, you are going to see a card will open for us where I have to specify how I want to filter my data. Again I will repeat, click on product name, drag it. You see I'm dragging it, drag and drop it over this filter section. Once you drop it over this filter section, a box is going to get open where I have to mention how do I want to filter my data. I want to find out the top 10 products by profit. So I will click on top first of all. Okay. Then I am going to click on by field because I want top 10 products by profit. And then you will click on OK and you will see you will only get top 10 products. Quickly get it done. Drag product name to filter. Click on top by field and then click on OK. You will get top 10 products by profit out there. So quickly get it done. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Great work, Sushil, Rohit. We have got Nilesh and other students as well. Great work, Tejas and Akshita. Anyone else, guys, is still doing? Quickly do it. Great work, Nitish, Sanjana, and other students also. My filter got hided. In case your filter got hided, how do? Okay. In case it is hided, for example, for me also it got hided, right? Let us check how can we get it back. there must be some option for that in the worksheet section. In the worksheet section, let me check. Show cards, yeah, over here you see, click on this worksheet, right, and then click on this show card and then simply select the filter shelf. Okay, there was a question by someone that my filter section got hidden. In case it got hidden, simply click on worksheet, then click on show cards and then click on filter shelf. Filter shelf will appear again, as you can see. Okay, great work guys. Now the last step that I have to do over here is I have to give it a proper title. So how do I give it a proper title? Double click on this sheet 2. Simply double click on this sheet 2 and give it a title which is going to be top 10 products by profit. Top 10 products by profit, and click on OK. You will get top 10 products by profit at the top as well. Okay. Great progress guys. We have built a bar chart and we have got these 10 products and generating the maximum profit for ourselves. Great work again. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. In case you want to take a screenshot, you can do that and then we will move ahead. Again, which step you want me to repeat, you can mention it, right? Aman and Sushil and Akila, because all the steps are mentioned over here step by step. 6th step. So Aman, 6th step is you have to drag product names to the filter section and drop it over there. Simply drop it. Once you drop it, you will see a box will appear in front of you. Now you have to specify how do you want to filter your data. So click on this top, then click on by field and then click on OK at the bottom. Top, by field and then OK at the bottom. Okay. All right. Great progress. Now let us move towards the last chart guys. What worksheet if filter got hidden to select, sir? No, if filter got hidden, you just have to click on this worksheet at the top. Just click on this card and there will be an option to select or deselect the cards. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you 5 more seconds on that guys. Quickly get it done. All right. Now let us move ahead. Okay. Let me check how can we add a dollar symbol to profit. So if you want to add a dollar symbol to profit, you can simply right click. Again, it is additional because someone asked a question. You can right click on profit and over here there will be option of default properties and then there will be option of number format. Inside number format you can give currency over here, right? Currency over here, and you can just mention if you want to add a prefix of rupees or a prefix of dollar over here. For example, if I want to add rupees, I will add rupees over here and I will get rupees, as you can see, right? Okay, but again it is additional. All right, now guys let us move ahead towards the next important thing, which is I want to do a time series analysis. How to write the title. So Geeta, just double click on this, right? Just double click on this, and once you double click on sheet 2, you can simply mention your title over there as well. Just double click, okay, on sheet 2 and just write your title over there. Label is not visible for all product name. That is right, Varsha. It is not visible because the size of these bars are very small. So we can increase the size of these bars as well. You can simply put your mouse cursor between 2 product name. Just put your mouse cursor between 2 product name and you can increase the size of the bars. You can decrease the size of the bars as well. You see, just put your mouse cursor between 2 product name and you can increase and decrease the size of the bars and you will be able to see the total profit in all the bars over here as well. Right? So Sheil, if you want to learn how to filter it, it's very simple. Drag product name to filter and drop it. Click on top by field and then click on OK. You will get top 10 products by profit over here. Can we resize the bars? Yes, you can do that. Sudeep, you can simply put your mouse cursor between 2 product name and you can drag it, and basically you can resize the bars as well. How to change currency? So it's very simple, Nitish and Sai Vinayak. Right click on profit, click on default properties and then click on number format. Over here, you can basically click on currency and you can give your currency as well. Yes, you can edit the colors as well in case you want to edit the colors. Ajit, there's a color option over here and you can select any color of your choice also. Okay. Numbers are now shown in alternative rows. So again, path, you can increase the size of the bars even further so that you can see the numbers in all the bars. All right, great interaction, guys. I like when students ask questions, right? That means you are working. Now let us move towards the next chart, which is going to be a time series analysis of sales and profit. So time series analysis helps us in identifying the trends. It helps us in identifying the patterns in our data. So now we are going to build sales and profit by order date, by time, as a line chart. As I already told you guys that to build a new chart, you have to build a new sheet, right? And we have not built the sheet yet. So quickly click on the first plus icon at the bottom and a new sheet will be created for you, right? Just click on this first plus icon at the bottom and a new sheet is going to get created for you. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. Quickly do that. Once you click on this plus icon, as you can see, new sheet has been created. Now guys, what we have to do is we have to show sales and profit by order date. So where is order date? Order date is somewhere in the middle, as you can see. So first step is going to remain same. Simply click on order date, drag it and drop it to the rows section. That is going to be your step number 1, so that you can see the year of order date step by step. As you can see, we have got 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 and so on. Now the next thing is we have to see profit as well, right? Because I want to see the profit by order date. So where is profit? Simply click on profit, drag it and drop it over text. Once you drop it over text, guys, you're going to see that total profit will be added by the year as well over here, right? Now the next step is you need to add sales to the text as well. So I'm going to click on sales, drag it and drop it over here, and you are going to see that sales will also be added to the same table. So we have got profit also, we have got sales also by the year of order date. So quickly get it done till here. Okay, drag order date to rows, drag profit and sales to text, and you are going to see this output over here. Now the next thing is we have to convert it to a line chart. How to do that, guys? So under show me section, you will see we have got multiple options. We have to select the line chart. Line chart for me is 5th row, 1st column. Simply click on that, guys. 5th row, 1st column is the line chart, and once you click on that, it will get converted to a line chart, as you can see over here. But it is not a very effective way to analyze my data, guys, because I have got only 4 data points over here: 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014. I have got 4 data points over here. But the thing is, I don't want to analyze the data by only year. I want to do a week level analysis. For example, this is 12th of August, this is 26th of August. This is basically, again, let us quickly check. Okay, 9th of September, 16th of September, 23rd of September. So this is week level analysis. So now I'm going to convert this year level analysis to week level analysis, right? So how can we do that? Guys, you will see we have got the year of order date in the column section. We have got year of order date in the column section. Simply right click on the year of order date and select week number. Right now we are seeing the data by year. If you will right click and select week number, you will see the data by week. As simple as that. So quickly do that. Right click on this year of order date and simply select week number out there. Once you click on this week number, you will see we have got trends and patterns over here as well, right? So this is what you have to do. So quickly get it done, right? All right. So I will write over here as well. Right click, just right click Pradyumna over here. Right click on this year of order date and select week number. You will see the data in week. Alright, now guys, you have got trends and patterns much more clear, and you can give it a proper title: series analysis, time series analysis of sales and profit, and simply click on OK. You can also write sales and profit by time. That is also perfectly fine. So this way, guys, we have built 3 sheets till now. You might have built 1 sheet or 2 sheet. That is also fine. So again, I have built tree map, I have built bar charts, I have built over here line charts as well, right? Now what I have to do is I have to basically combine these charts in a single place known as a dashboard, guys. For example, this is the dashboard. As you can see over here, I've combined three visuals, right? Because your business will not go to each and individual place and they can select the, they will analyze the chart. They just want a single place where all your charts can be there, and all the charts are interactive. If I click on copiers, all the charts will get filtered and so on. Okay. So now let us quickly build a dashboard, guys. To build a dashboard, you have to click on the second plus icon at the bottom. Simply click on the second plus icon. First plus icon is used to create a new sheet. Second plus icon is used to create a new dashboard. So simply click on that second plus icon at the bottom. And once you click on the second plus icon, guys, a new dashboard will be created, as you can see, by the name of dashboard 1. Okay. Now you can close this show me menu, guys, because I don't want it right now. I don't have to create any new chart, so I can simply click on this show me, and once I do that, show me menu will get closed. Okay. Now the next step is I have to adjust the size of this dashboard. The size of the dashboard is very, very small, as you can see. So how to adjust the size? Very simple. On the left hand side, guys, you will see minimum 420 cross 560. Are you seeing that? Simply click on that. Then click on range and then click on automatic. That will adjust the size, right, of the dashboard to your screen. Okay. So I'll again repeat. Inside the size, you have to click on minimum 420 cross 560. Then click on range and then click on automatic. The size of the dashboard will get adjusted. Quickly do that. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for this. All right. Perfect. So once you click on automatic, guys, minimum 420 cross 560, range and then automatic, the size will get adjusted, as you can see over here. Now the next step I have to do is Tableau is asking me to drop the sheets here. So I'm going to click on this sheet 1, drag it and drop it over here, right? So do you also do that? Simply click on sheet 1, drag it and drop it over here, and the entire space will be taken by sheet 1 over here. Now it's time for sheet 2. Click on sheet 2, drag it and drop it over here, and you will see half of the space is taken by sheet 1 and another half of the space is taken by sheet 2 over here. Now the last thing is sheet 3. It's a line chart, guys. If I will drop it like this, you see it is not looking very good because line chart requires space, right? So I have to drop it in such a manner that it occupies the maximum space, and there's a trick for that. Okay. So what can I do is I can simply click on this sheet 3. I will drag it and put my mouse cursor at the bottom middle. You also do that, guys, right? It's a trick. So simply click on this sheet 3, drag it and put your mouse cursor at the bottom middle. If you will put your mouse cursor at the bottom middle, Tableau will give you option that do you want to drop it to the entire bottom section? Yes, I want to drop it to the entire bottom section. So I will simply release my mouse cursor and you will see the entire bottom space will be taken by this line chart, which will help us in analyzing the trends and patterns more clearly. Right, so quickly do it till here. Any doubt? All right. So again, which step do you want me to repeat? You can let me know, right, Akila? Very quickly, I'll tell you guys what you have to do. What you have to do is simply click on the second plus icon at the bottom, and a new sheet will get created for you. Then you have to close the show me menu. Simply click on this show me, and the show me menu will get closed. Then you have to adjust the size of the dashboard. On the left hand side, simply click on minimum 420 cross 560. Then click on range and then click on automatic. Minimum 420 cross 560, then click on range and then click on automatic. The size will get adjusted. Now guys, what you have to do is simply click on this sheet 1, drag it and drop it over here. Click on sheet 2, drag it and drop it over here. Sheet 3 is a little bit tricky, guys, right? So what you have to do is click on sheet 3, drag it and simply put your mouse cursor at the bottom middle. Once you put your mouse cursor at the bottom middle, you can simply drop it and the entire bottom space will be taken by this sheet 3, which is time series analysis. Now the next step is, guys, I have to make these charts interactive. As I told you in our original dashboard also, the charts are interactive. If I will click on copiers, other charts are getting filtered with respect to copiers and so on. So let us quickly learn how to make these charts interactive, guys. So what you have to do over here is simply click on the title of the first chart, which is top 10 products by profit. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, the chart will get selected and you will see some options at the top right, and simply click on the third option over here, which is use as filter. Right, simply click on the third option over here, which is use as filter, and this chart will become interactive. Same thing you have to do for the second chart also. Simply click on the title of the second chart, which is sales by category. You will see some options on the top right. Simply select the third option over here, which is use as filter. Simply click on it and it will also get basically selected. And now if you will click on copiers, all the charts will get filtered only with respect to category copiers. If you want to bring your charts to the normal state, click on copiers once again and it will come back to the normal state. So this way, guys, you can make these charts interactive. Now the next thing is how to add the title to your dashboard. Title is also very important, because if someone will see your dashboard, they should know what this dashboard is all about. So guys, you will see text option on the bottom left hand side, bottom text option. Simply click on text, drag it and drop it at the top. Right, so I just click on this text, follow my mouse cursor, click on text, drag and simply drop it in the top middle, just drop it in the top middle. Once you drop it, a text box will open. Simply give your title. For me, the title is Amazon Sales Analytics Dashboard. You can give your own title as well. You can also change the size. I'm going to keep it 20. I can make it bold as well. And then I am going to click on OK. Once I click on OK, you will see I will get a title at the top. Okay, but again, this is taking a lot of space. I don't want this much space for title, so I can reduce the size of title as well. I can simply drag it from the borders like this. Right, you see, drag it from the borders like this, and the size of the title will also get reduced, as you can see. So we have got Amazon Sales Analytics Dashboard over here. Can you repeat interactive parts, Abhishek? Simply click on the title of the chart and select the third option over here, which is use as filter. Click on the title of the chart, select the third option over here, which is use as filter. These two charts will become interactive. Okay, I want to see how we change the colors in the very first chart. If you want to change the colors in this chart, you can simply go to sheet 1. There is a color option over here and you can select edit your colors and you can select the range of your colors, whatever range you want. Right, so it is possible inside this color option over here. Alright, now guys, the next thing is you can maximize this chart as well. You can simply click on this arrow right to the next of layout, and once you click on this arrow of layout, you see this will get hidden, this menu will get hidden, and you will see the maximum view of your dashboard as well. And a great progress, guys, that we have done, I would say, in the last 2 hours. Absolute practical learning, as I promised to you at the starting. So again, a great progress, great work by each and every one of you. Even if though you understood 70-80% of it, trust me, you are doing a great job out there. Alright, now before I move ahead and give you more perspective learning, I quickly want to understand from you, how is the workshop going on till now, guys? Right, so I have not taken that feedback till now. How is the workshop going on till now? Alright, Sahil, thank you so much. Awesome says Anthony. Great says Sushil. Good says Imran. Great says Lavanya. Excellent says over here Akila. Amazing says Manoj. Right. Along with this, Rajiv says great as well. Right. Alright, thank you so much for your words, guys. Yes, I'm going to give you now some perspective learning. Right, that will even help you further. Okay, so let me quickly. Okay. Alright, apart from this, guys, let me also quickly check. We have got Manoj says amazing, great says Rajiv, amazing says Sanjana as well, excellent says Sahil, superb says Sahil. We have got again, thank you says Akila, great says Abhishek. Attended a lot of masterclass in the past. It is one of the best ones so far. Alright, thank you so much, Akansha. Wonderful says Mahendra, wonderful says iPhone user, very helpful and understanding, says Tejas. Okay, that's great, everyone. Okay, now I'm going to give you some perspective learning out there, guys, which will basically even help you further, and it will increase your knowledge even further as well. And whatever doubts you have with respect to this dashboard, we will take at later point of time. Otherwise, you will miss on the perspective learning. Now guys, whatever progress we have done so far is great, but we can build some interactive, visually appealing professional dashboards as well for ourselves, right? So let me quickly open some other tool to give you some diverse opinions also. Let me open, let's suppose, Power BI, right? And you're going to see that again, you can build some really interactive professional dashboard for yourself as well on tools like Tableau and Power BI over here. For example, this is the server of Power BI where you can upload your work, and let me open a regional sales sample dashboard over here, and let me put it to full screen mode, and you're going to see that this is a dashboard which is built for Contoso by one of my students as well, and you're going to see how beautiful color coordinated professional dashboard he has built, right, for clients called Contoso. And guys, over here we have got cards at the top. For example, if you want to see any important number, you can simply see that number in the form of cards at the top. Along with this, guys, we have got a funnel chart over here as well. This is known as a funnel chart. Funnel chart is very important chart specifically in the field of sales. For example, out of 100% of the total sales, how much sales I have achieved till now, right? Out of 100%, 56.4% has been achieved till now. Then guys, we have got detailed matrix as well over here. This is a matrix visualization, and as you can see over here, that if I will click on US West, you are going to see that the entire dashboard will get filtered with respect to US West over here. I can get inside US West also, and I can check the revenue in pipeline forecast for Arizona, for California, for Colorado, and so on, right? I can drill up also over here, as you can see. So this way, guys, again, all these charts are interactive. Then guys, we have got conditional color formatting map visualization. For example, this is a map of United States, and over here colors will actually tell me what is my sales. For example, dark blue means maximum revenue of $1.2 million by Washington. Light blue means Arizona having a revenue of only $50,000, and so on. Along with this, we have got what if analysis. What if in future my sales increase by 20%? You will see everything is in green and the numbers will also change. What if in future my sales decrease by 50%? You will see some values are in green and maximum in yellow. And what if in future my sales decrease by 80%? You will see everything is in red. So this way I can control the parameters of the futures as well to understand how is it going to impact my present value. I can go to the trend section over here also, guys, which will basically show me the trend of my data. For example, this is known as a ribbon chart, and over here you are going to see that life insurance sector was at the bottom in November. It moved at the top in December and January, and again slipped to the bottom, as you can see over here. So this way, again, we can do some, I can understand the trend of my categories also. I can read the textual insights as well. At $2.7 million, real estate investment trust had the highest revenue open, 63,000% higher than water supply, and so on. Then guys, we have got trend analytics also, where we can analyze the data even more effectively. For example, this is the line chart that we have got, revenue by date, and this is my actual sales. This is my actual time series analysis, and this one is, guys, forecasted sales. This is not actual but forecasted. So based upon the historic data, I can do prediction, I can do forecasting as well. And then we have got trend lines as well in this particular chart. Then we have got over here, smart outlier detection as well, right? For example, how to get the smart outlier detection over here. As you can see that my sales was very high, right? My sales was very high on a particular day. Now I can find out the reasons why my sales was very high on, let's suppose, 7th of November. I can simply click on it, and you're going to see it will give me possible reasons that why my sales was very high. My sales was very high because my discount was 12%, 33% chances, because of that your sales is very high. Product is 1 year warranty, 18% chances, because of that your sales is very high. Manager is Peter Davis, 16% chances, because of that your sales is very high. So it will basically guide me what are the parameters which are there which is forcing my sales to be high, so that I can replicate these parameters again and again, right, and get a higher sales again. Then I have got the insight section over here as well, which is a basically AI powered analytics chart. It's an advanced chart which will help you in taking the data driven decisions. For example, if you want to win a particular deal, so in which scenarios you can win a particular deal. As you can see, whenever your discount is more than 15.5%, 1.93 times chances you are going to win a deal, and it will give you explanation also on the right hand side that whenever your discount is more than 15.5%, 93.13% of the times you are going to win a deal. Similarly, whenever the owner is Jordan William, 1.77 times chances you are going to win a deal. It will also guide you in which scenarios you are losing a deal for yourself, right? So again, whenever the owner is Jeff Hay, 1.74 times chances you are going to lose a deal, so that you can give effective training to Jeff Hay over there. Apart from this, guys, we have got Q&A sections also, where you can ask your questions out there. For example, show me top 3 category by revenue as a donut chart. So basically, it is going to show you now the top 3 categories by revenue as a donut chart out there. So this way, guys, again, you can ask your questions as well to tools like Power BI, tools like Tableau, and it is going to respond back to you as if you are talking to generative AI. Along with this, you can export your data in the PDF format as well, in the PPT format as well. For example, if I want to attach this data set, right, as in the form of PPT or PDF, I can simply click on this export button, and the entire dashboard will be exported in the PDF format over there. Apart from this, if I want to subscribe to this dashboard, I can subscribe to this dashboard also, and daily at evening 5 a.m. or 5 p.m., right, I will get the snapshot of this report. I can create alerts on this report as well. For example, if my sales fall below $1 million, I will get an alert on my email. I can chat about this dashboard on Microsoft Teams as well. So again, there's a lot of features that you can do. And if you can build these type of dashboards for your portfolio, guys, it will help you immensely going forward. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Now, guys, let us do some real-time job analytics, and then of course we will have an extensive Q&A session as well at the end. And first of all, before we do a real-time job analytics session, I would like to quickly give you a lot of students are asking on how can we connect with you over LinkedIn. So if you want to connect with me over LinkedIn, guys, so again, you can simply send me a follow request or a connection request on my LinkedIn portal. I've got a student community of more than 32,000 students connected live with me on LinkedIn. So again, I can be a part of it. Along with this, I am usually super active on LinkedIn, solving queries of my own students as well. Again, you can be a part of this community. So now the next thing, guys, that I'm going to do over here is we are going to do a real-time job analytics on India's biggest job portal, which is going to be Naukri.com. So let me quickly open up my own Naukri.com profile. Let me give you a glimpse of my Naukri profile as well, so that you know how to build effective Naukri profiles for yourself. For example, guys, you're going to see that over here we have got I have got search appearance of 89 recruiters with 17 recruiter actions pending from my side, right? The reason why I am able to generate that much amount of traffic on my own job profile is because I have got a 100% profile completion batch. My activity levels are high, and if I go inside the view profile section, you are going to see I have added all the relevant keywords over here as well. For example, my resume headline, my key skills are added step by step, as you can see. My employment, education, my IT skills. For example, we have got Google Data Studio, Excel, business analysis, data analytics, business intelligence, Tableau, Power BI, SQL, Python. All my skills are also added step by step. Along with this, all my projects, for example, supply chain analytical project with complete description, sales analytics project with complete description, HR analytics, global PepsiCo performance analytics, financial analytics, manufacturing analytics, all my projects are added with complete description as well over here. Along with this, my profile summary, my online profile like LinkedIn profile, Credly profile is also added. Anyone can click on that. All my professional certifications like Microsoft Technology Associate, DA 100 Microsoft Power BI certified, Tableau desktop specialist, SQL gold badge holder is added step by step. So this way, guys, when you add each and every detail in your sections, right, it basically boosts your profile a lot. It will rank your Naukri profile a lot as well, right? So just take it as a feedback. Now we are going to do a real-time job analytics. So let me quickly search over here by the keyword of Tableau. Let us check what kind of jobs are there into the analytics domain. So we have got more than 91,000 job openings posted live by the keyword of Tableau on platform like Naukri.com. And what kind of skills are required? Power BI, Tableau, data management, along with the data analyst by Razorpay, requiring skills like Tableau and Power BI. Of course, data analytical skills over there. Business analyst requiring skills like Tableau over here. Somewhere they might require you Python as well. Again, we have got data analyst, SQL queries, Power BI, Tableau are the primary skill. Data analyst, Power BI is a primary skill over here as well. SQL is a primary skill over here. Business analyst, again, you will see data visualization is a primary skill, and so on. So basically, the key job openings are data analyst and business analyst. And Accenture is bulk hiring for business analyst job profiles right now. Okay. And if you will see for freshers also, guys, let me put the experience level to 0 years of experience. We have got more than 3,000 job openings posted live on Naukri.com by the keyword of Tableau. So again, Accenture is hiring a reporting new associate. Again, names can be different, right? Again, over here, reporting and analytics is required as a primary skill. Someone was telling me that I am from project management domain. So you see over here, project management is also a primary skill. So this is a perfect job role for you. Again, data analyst females preferred 0 to 2 years of experience requiring skills like data analytics, Power BI. Again, we have got Accenture is bulk hiring for this particular month. You will see we have got business analyst starting from 0 years of experience, data analyst starting from 0 years of experience, and so on, right? So these are the fresher job openings that we have got out there, as you can see. Now let us also search by some more analytical keywords, guys. For example, let me search over here by the keyword of data analyst. So you will see we have got more than 94,000 job openings posted live on Naukri.com by the keyword of data analyst, requiring skills like Power BI, again requiring skills like analytical skills, data analytical skills. We have got Excel as a primary skill as well. Power BI is a primary skill. Again, we have got Power BI over here. We have got Tableau SQL Power BI over here, Tableau over here as well, and so on, right? And for freshers, right, if we will check to 0 years of experience, you're going to see we have got more than 3,300 job openings posted live, starting from 0 years of experience, 0 to 5. Farmi Technology is a very big company. Again, they offer good packages as well, as you can see over here. We have got data analyst starting from 0 years of experience, data analyst starting from zero. Again, these are all fresher job openings requiring skills like, again, Tableau, we have got SQL, we have got Power BI, we have got Excel. Again, we have got Tableau slash Power BI, and so on. And guys, even if I will search by some other keyword, for example, business analyst, analytical associate, analytical consultant, the skills required are more or less going to remain same, right? In fact, we have got our own job portal also. For example, if I'm going to write jobaj.com over here, it's a job portal for Jobaj learning students out there. And if I'm going to click on it, you will see this is where the jobs get posted as well. They have got a database of more than 6 lakh job opening posted live on jobaj.com over there. And you're going to see that multiple top hiring partners post their jobs as well on platforms like jobaj.com. And over here, we try to understand and analyze what kind of jobs are trending in the market over here, what kind of skills HRs are looking for. For example, on naukri.com also we post the job openings. Let me search over here by the keyword of jobaj. So you're going to see that over here, around 45 job openings are posted for our own students. For example, MIS intern, it is also a part of data analytics job opening out there. So this way we post the job openings on multiple other portals as well, so that we can fulfill the job profiles for our own students. And along with this, we can also try to understand that what kind of skills is trending in the market, what kind of skills HRs are looking for, and so on. Okay. Again, guys, the top skills HRs are looking for over here is going to be, we have got Tableau, we have got Power BI, we have got Power Query, we have got DAX, we have got SQL, Advanced Excel. So I hope that you will focus upon these skills. It will help you immensely going forward. Okay. All right. So I hope you understand that. And now, guys, on this note, let us also, let me also quickly guide you that what kind of, personal portfolio you can build for yourself. What kind of platforms you can choose to build a strong personal portfolio for yourself, right? So let me quickly open that up. You can make a note of it. It will help you a lot because these are the platforms that you can choose to build a strong personal portfolio. Let me quickly open up a Credly profile over here, right? And let us check. So guys, this is my Credly profile, and you're going to see that this is where I publish my professional badges. For example, whether it's a Tableau desktop specialist badge, anyone can click on it, anyone can verify that whether I am a Tableau desktop specialist or not, right? Along with this is because I have cleared a professional examination called Tableau Desktop Specialist. Okay, so this way, under a guidance, under a mentorship, you can also clear these type of examinations. It will help you a lot going forward. And basically, again, you can publish your work on platforms like Redly.com as well. Along with this, I am a Microsoft certified Power BI professional also. Anyone can click on verify over here and they will be able to verify whether this badge is issued to me or not. Because I have cleared a professional examination called PL300 examination. Again, it's a professional examination by Microsoft itself. This way you can build a strong Credly profile for yourself as well over here, guys. Apart from this, I am also building my hacker rank profile. For example, if you will see, I have got a gold badge in hacker rank over here. And again, I have solved more than 50 challenges on SQL. So I've got a gold badge. I can attach it as an achievement in my resume section as well, that I am gold badge certified on hacker rank. This way you can also do that. And it is not just me who have got hacker rank gold badge certified. If you're going to see over here, you have got bunch of students who have upskilled. For example, let me open Sweetie Biswas portfolio. She's a certified data analyst under my mentorship, got both Python and SQL gold badge. All her skills are verified, whether it is SQL basics, intermediate, advanced. If I'm going to click on it, you will see her certificate is going to get open and she can attach the link of the certificates as well in her resume, in her job profile, LinkedIn profile, which will further boost her credibility. So this way, guys, students are building their hacker rank profiles as well. Along with this, students are also building their Tableau public profile. They are publishing their work on platforms like tableaupublic.com. For example, let me open Sudiksha Jain portfolio for you guys, and this is the executive summary dashboard that she has built over there. And over here you will see we have got important cards at the top. For example, we have got sales card, profit card, order card. We have got top 5 states by profit, gauge chart, bullet charts. We have got tabular view as well over here, as you can see. We have got summarized view as well, as you can see. I can export everything into the PDF format also, PPT format also, just within a single click. So this way we have added automation features as well in this dashboard, and anyone can check her work without even signing in, without even logging in on Tableau Public. Anyone can check her work over here as well. This way you see the dashboard has been downloaded, and again anyone can check it in the PDF format also. So this way, guys, students are building their dedicated Tableau public profile. They are uploading their work, their dashboards on Tableau public. This is a list of dashboard that Sudiksha has uploaded. For example, executive summary, retail dashboard, financial dashboard. This further boosts your credibility a lot. Along with this, students are also building their virtual internship portfolio. They are getting virtual internship certified by multiple big names in the industry, as you can see. For example, let me open Darshita Sutaria portfolio. She's one of my students as well. And as you can see that she got a virtual internship certified by Accenture North America in data analytics, Tata Groups in data visualization, PwC Switzerland in Power BI, Quantium in data analytics, and all these are the skills in which she got certified. She can attach it in her resume along with the links, and that will help her in resume screening as well, guys. End-to-end resume screening, it will help her in that. Along with this, students are also building their Kaggle profile. For example, they are uploading their exploratory data analytical projects on platforms like Kaggle.com. They are uploading their case study based projects on platforms like Kaggle.com. For example, let me open over here Vishara portfolio, and you're going to see that she has uploaded multiple case studies and EDA projects, exploratory data analytical projects. For example, EDA on agricultural land value, EDA on video games analysis, EDA on women's clothing, and so on. So guys, in case you can also build portfolios like this. For example, you have got your Credly profile, you have got your HackerRank profile, your Tableau Public, Forage profile, Kaggle profile. You can attach all these links in your resume. For example, let me open one of my own demo resume, right, as well, so that you can get some idea how to build good resumes. And you are going to see that over here, this is my demo resume, my name, my subtitle, my professional summary is also mentioned over here. Along with this, my work experience is mentioned, my skills, technology, professional skills, data skills, key projects engagement, award recognition, my education, links of my research papers. All my badges are added, and all these badges are interactive. Anyone can click on this Tableau badge and my Tableau profile is going to get open over here, and anyone can verify that. So this way, guys, you can build one pager clean and lean resume for yourself as well. It will further boost your, it will further make sure that it will help you in resume screening and resume selection, because that is the most important part of your portfolio. All right. So I hope that you got some idea over here, guys. And along with this, a lot of students usually also ask me that, Rakshit, we want to learn end-to-end analytics, end-to-end Tableau and Power BI and so on. So what are some platforms that we can choose? So guys, again, there are multiple platforms available in the market. I personally do not recommend any single platform, because you have to be confident in the pricing, you have to be confident in the mentors and so on. But just to give you an idea, for example, we have got Power BI certifications over here costing you around 15,000-16,000 rupees plus GST for Power BI. Tableau certification over here costing you around 15,000-16,000 rupees plus GST. SQL certification individually costing you around, again, more or less same. Power BI certification, more or less it's going to cost you around 16,000 rupees plus GST and so on. There are multiple portals. On an average, 15,000 to 20,000 is the price point for single skill like Tableau or Power BI over here. Okay. So again, it's just to give you an idea. I personally do not recommend heavily priced programs or a single learning program. For example, just learning Tableau or just learning Power BI. But again, just to give you a brief idea over here. Now, guys, along with this, I also want to quickly tell you that we have done a great progress in the last, I would say, 2 hours 20 minutes or so. So again, a big progress and a big kudos to each and every one of you who have stayed with me till here and upskilled themselves, upgraded themselves in a proper learning manner. It was a very good introduction to the field of analytics that you can carry forward. Okay. Now, along with this, I would also like to tell you very quickly that there are around two type of students who have joined this particular masterclass. The first type of students are those guys who want to get a brief idea into the analytics domain. And again, for them, we have done a great progress so far. We understood about the fundamentals of analytics. We understood about how can we clean our data, how can we leverage prompts to increase our productivity. After that, we also built an end-to-end dashboard on tools like Tableau. We explored multiple sheets, multiple type of charts and graph, and built an end-to-end dashboard over there as well. Along with this, guys, we also focused upon how can we do a real-time job analytics over there, right? We also focused upon how can we build a good personal portfolio into the analytics domain, right? So again, it's a great progress that we have done. So big kudos to each and every one of you. Now, guys, along with this, we have got category 2 students over here as well, who want to extend their learning even beyond this webinar and want to learn in a proper mentorship based fashion, want to learn each and every skill practically by building end-to-end projects, by building an end-to-end portfolio for themselves, want to build a ATS friendly resume, get proper assistance in terms of placement or switching or starting their career and so on. Okay. Apart from this, whether you were a student or a working professional or a career dropout over here. So guys, I just want to quickly understand from you that how many of you are from category 2 over here who want to extend their learning even beyond this webinar and who want to go for proper end-to-end mentorship based learning manner under my mentorship. So I can just get some answers in the chat section for that, just to understand the audience over here. Okay. So we have got Anjali Agarwal, Abhishek Kumar, we have got Brace Fernandez, Lavanya Srivastav, we have got Nanda Kumar, Spruti Jadhav, Palak Thakur, we have got Karthik Arumugam, Aisha Sania, we have got Sadia Malik, Mahendran S. Apart from that, Mona Lisa, Ramekar, Rajiv, Casey, Neha, Telgote, Sumit, Doshi, we have got Misbah Ali, Adyasha Mohanty, Vaibhav Kumar Patel. Okay, seems like we have got a lot of students, guys. I was expecting few, but seems like we have got a lot of them over here. That's good. I also want to understand that how many hours you can spend per week in learning and upskilling, including weekend. Okay, including weekend, how many hours you can spend per week in learning and upskilling over here. So let me quickly check in the chat section. Thank you so much for confirming. Again, Palli, we have got Palak, Pratik and everyone. Okay, 15 plus says Palak, 15 says Prabhu, 10 says Pratik, 6 says Sushil, 6 says Abhishek, 2 says Bhagyashri, 5 says Nilesh, 15 says Lavanya, 5 says Parth, 20 says Kamali, 7 says Anjali, okay, Brace says 2, 24 says Imran, okay, 10 says Adasha, 2 hours says Sadia, that is good, 5 hours says Sahil, that is good, guys. I'll tell you. If you can spend around on an average of 3 to 5 hours per week, including weekends, in learning and upskilling yourself, that you can spend very easily, right? If you want to upskill yourself, right, it's up to you. On an average, in some weeks it can be 2 3 hours, in some weeks it can be 4 5 hours. That is fine. It can be more than that as well in case you have more bandwidth. Then in the next few months you will see the difference in the kind of demand you generate in the market. Okay. Again, guys, for all the serious committed participants who want to upscale themselves, upgrade themselves in a proper mentorship based fashion under my mentorship, who are serious towards building a career into the analytics domain, whether start your career, switch your career, or build a good portfolio. Again, for all those guys, what we have done is we have launched a data and business analytics advanced certification program with a free upgrade to data science over here in specialization with both Tableau and Power BI. In collaboration with jobaj.com, our job partner, jobajlearnings.com, our learning partner, procapitas.com, our virtual internship partner, and Ishan Groups of Institution, our scholarship partner. So with their collaboration, we have launched this end-to-end mentorship-based data and business analytics advanced certification program under my mentorship over here, guys. And again, once we complete the learning of this particular program, we will be eligible to apply for all these job openings, whether it is data analyst or business analyst or data scientist, analytical associate, analytics consultant, visualization specialist, business intelligence specialist, Tableau slash Power BI developer, right? So all these job profiles will be eligible to apply for, or whether it is domain specific job roles like financial data analyst, healthcare data analyst, supply chain data analyst, HR data analyst, and so on. So you will be eligible to apply for all these once we complete the learning of this particular program. Along with this, guys, we are not going to focus upon a single skill over here like just learning Tableau or just learning Power BI. We are going to learn a bunch of skills that will come under complete analytics learning. For example, the number one business intelligence tool, Power BI, is going to get covered. Number one ad hoc analysis tool, Microsoft Excel, is going to get covered. Upcoming business intelligence tool, Google Data Studio, number one database language, SQL, and number one data visualization tool, Tableau, is going to get covered end to end as a part of this particular program. Along with this, guys, your AI skills, for example, chat GPT for data analytics, right? Along with this, we have got AI powered dashboards, Copilot. We have to be AI workforce ready as well. So your AI skills are also going to get covered, like generative AI and so on. And since it's a free upgrade to data science skills, so your data science skills like Python, data science skills like data structures, we have got NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Stats Concept is also going to get covered as a free add-on to data science skills as a part of this program under my mentorship over here. Okay, so this is a complete end-to-end learning program that we are going to go forward with. Along with this, guys, it's a structured learning program. Step by step, we are going to learn and upskill. For example, your module 1 is going to be data core concepts, the fundamental semester to get into the analytics domain. A lot of mistake that students make is that they directly move to tools like SQL or Tableau or Power BI, and then they get confused. It is very important to understand the fundamentals first of all, like what is big data, what is metadata, what is sentimental analysis, what is the difference between data server and data center, what is measure of central tendency, what is KPI, deviation, which type of chart you should use at what point of time. So all these are fundamental concepts that we are going to focus upon initially as a part of this particular program, so that our foundational concepts is very very clear, and again our data literacy concepts is also very very clear. So again, first of all, guys, we will focus upon getting a data expert batch in this data core concepts module. After this, we are going to move towards Microsoft Excel Complete Mastery. This is the first practical hands-on module that we are going to focus upon. Excel is the number one ad hoc analysis tool. You cannot ignore Excel at any cost. It is very, very important for us to learn that, guys. Right from basics of Excel to intermediate concepts to advanced concepts to analytical based concepts like pivot table, Power Query, Power Pivot, lookup, indexing, analytical formulas and function. End-to-end dashboarding we are going to learn in Microsoft Excel practically. Even though you don't have Excel license, we will use Excel online, WPS Office softwares to learn end-to-end Excel over here and target a Excel expert batch over here. After this, we are going to learn the number one database language mandatory skill, which is SQL, structured query language. First of all, guys, we will learn about the database. We will learn about the relational database, We will download and install tools like MySQL, and on that tool we are going to practice multiple operations like select command, where clause, having clause, group by clause, join, self join, union, subqueries, windows function. End to end learning in SQL we are going to do, and once we do that, we are going to target a guaranteed gold badge on hacker rank for SQL under my mentorship, so that you can include it in the achievement section of your resume that you are gold badge certified in hacker rank for SQL. Apart from that, we are going to learn the number one business intelligence tool, which is going to be Microsoft Power BI. Both the level of certification, level 1 and level 2, we are going to cover in Power BI, right from download and installation to working upon Power Query, where we can transform the data, to learning about basic visuals, advanced visual DAX, which is data analytics expressions, AI powered dashboards, to publishing your work on Power BI server, to targeting a Microsoft certified Power BI badge. So end-to-end learning in Power BI also we are going to complete, because when we were doing our real-time job analytics, we saw a lot of companies are requesting Power BI as a primary skill. So we have to learn that as well. Along with this, your number one data visualization tool, your number one dashboarding tool, Tableau, is also going to get covered as a part of this program. Right from understanding the fundamentals to exploring worksheets to learning about calculated field, parameters, level of details expressions, data blending, joining, advanced dashboard interactivity, end-to-end learning in Tableau also we are going to complete. We are going to publish our work on Tableau Public, and we are going to make sure that we also target a Tableau certified batch. So this way, guys, end-to-end learning in Tableau also we are going to complete over here. Again, whether it is your mandatory skills like Power BI, Tableau, SQL, or Excel, or data core concepts, or whether it is your AI skills like ChatGPT for data analytics, generative AI, prompt based learning, AI powered charts and dashboards, to learning the add on skills like Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, statistical concept as a free upgrade to data science. So end to end learning in all these skills we are going to complete, guys, right from basics till we build a good project based portfolio for ourselves. Along with this, this program also contains 6 guaranteed digital and virtual internships so that we can boost our portfolio even further. And guys, since they are digital and virtual, all of us are equally eligible to be a part of it. Our first virtual internship is going to be with procapitas.com. Procapitas is the leading research and consulting firm, and we are going to complete our capstone projects and live assignments under procapitas.com, and we are going to get certified by Procapitas as well. The second virtual internship is going to be with PwC Switzerland, followed by Accenture North America, Tata Quantium KPMG India, where we are going to apply our knowledge of data extraction, exploratory data analysis, data cleaning, transforming modeling, visualization skills, presentation and communication skills, and whatnot. So end-to-end learning in all these skills also we are going to complete as a part of this particular program. And these 6 individual certificates will boost your portfolio a lot, will help you in resume screening as well, right? And it will help you in basically sharing your profile in your interviews also. I will be your mentor throughout. All of you are equally eligible because they are digital and virtual. Along with this, we have got a lot of special added values as a part of this particular program. For example, we have got exclusive resume building portal. We have got ATS friendly resume building portal, and again it is built by a team of Jobaj for Jobaj learning students, where you can explore multiple ATS friendly analytical resume templates, build a resume, and I will personally review your resume on a one-to-one Google Meet call, because resume is the most important part of our portfolio. You will be getting interview preparation guide containing the list of important interview questions, right? Because I've taken more than 150 interviews, I know what kind of questions are trending in the market. This will help us when we go for actual placement assistance or actual interviews. You will be getting one-to-one live mock interview directly with me on Google Meet. I will be taking your mock interview, guiding you, judging you, so that you are confident when you go to actual interview. And the best thing is, guys, we have got our own in-house job partner, Jobaj.com. Jobaj.com is our parent firm, and it's a job portal, job consulting portal. They have got a database of more than 6 lakh job openings, and they have 32 plus HRs team who scrap and uploads the job for us. So we are going to target 100% job assistance from our own in-house job portal, which is Jobaj.com. Very few firms across India have got their own in-house job portal, and we are one of them. These are the special added values which are included as a part of this particular program. And where do we differentiate? We have got 92% completion rate for this program for the last 4 quarter batches. Along with this, guys, we have got interactive hybrid mode of learning, where you will be getting 140 plus hours of on-demand lectures with lifetime access to the content, lifetime access to the updates of those lectures as well, which contains complete data science and analytics learning. Along with this, you will be getting weekend live classes. Every weekend, we are going to have a live class. I am going to take that live class. Even if you miss the live class, you will get proper notes, recordings, and data set with lifetime access again. So it's an interactive mode of learning, flexible mode of learning, where you get on-demand lectures also, where you get weekend live classes directly with me as well. Even though you miss it, you get proper recordings, notes, and data sets as well. Along with this, you will be added to a 24/7 premium Discord community where you can ask any question to me at any point of time. I am more than happy to guide you, to assist you. Again, right from day one, you will be added to my premium Discord community. Along with this, the best thing is, guys, that students use a lot is unlimited career counseling. That means you can connect with your mentor on one-to-one basis on a Google Meet call, and you can discuss about your personalized career counseling, personalized mentorship, personalized roadmap, and so on. This way, you can have one-to-one chat, one-to-one calls directly with me on my Discord portal as well. And that is where we differentiate, and that is why it's a mentorship-based program. Along with this, guys, we have got a very strong backing from jobage.com. They are our job partner. They keep us sending job proposals for jobage learning students. Along with this, they have got a team of 32 plus HRs who scrap and upload the job for us. They have been ranked fourth across India by Yahoo Finance as one of the best job portal as well. So again, jobage.com is going to be our in-house job consulting firm. Along with this, guys, we have got a referral community as well. So again, Jobage Learning alumni who have already transitioned their career, they help other students in getting referrals. I also have very strong connects in almost all the analytical firms like Tiger Analytics, Fractal Analytics, Mu Sigma, Latin View Analytics, or big four firms like PwC, EY, KPMG, Deloitte, or big three firms or tech giants. I also refer my students on job IDs because once you get referred, your profile moves very, very high in priority. And as I mentioned to you earlier, guys, it's a mentorship based program. Live call, hand holding support you are going to get from my side as a part of this particular program over here, right from day one. Again, it's a mentorship based program. And there is no prior knowledge required to be a part of it, guys. All of you are equally eligible to be a part of it. I am also from electronics domain. I also upskilled under the mentorship of my mentors, right from basics. Again, I would just need an internet connection and a growth mindset from your end to be a part of analytics domain. And this is going to be your roadmap for this particular program, guys. For example, first of all, we are going to have orientation on coming Wednesday at 9 p.m. Proper links and reminders will be given to you. Next week, Wednesday, we are going to have proper induction and orientation session. Then we are going to move forward with data core concepts. Your first module, Microsoft Excel complete mastery, SQL hacker rank portfolio, Python NumPy pandas, Kaggle portfolio, Tableau public portfolio, Power BI server portfolio, virtual internship with procapitas.com, digital internship with PwC, Tata, KPMG, Quantium. You'll get certified by Jobage Learning. Your professional examinations like Tableau Desktop Specialist, Microsoft Certified, Power BI Professional will also get unlocked, and in the 11th step, we will focus upon resume building, LinkedIn profile building optimization, Naukri profile building optimization, one-to-one live mock interview, and exclusive job leads from jobage.com will also get unlocked as a part of our placement assistance service. And I am super proud to tell you guys that we have got a bunch of students who have successfully transitioned their under advanced Excel. This is Pratham Bansal. From BCom domain, he got placed as a financial data analyst, again sharing his experience, his skill sets, maps with us. Apart from this, we have got over here Prasad, who got placed from a customer support domain, BPO domain, to a data analyst environment. Apart from that, we have got Sheikh Amir over here, who got placed from a sales domain to a data analyst expert. We have got Henel over here as well, from jobless to a data scientist in London International. So guys, as I told you, on bi-weekly manner, we post success stories of our own students as well on our own portal. For example, Sahiba, got placed in Wipro. For example, Rishi over here transitioned his career to a data analyst. Apart from this, we have got Abhinaya getting placed in HR data analytics. We have got Kavya getting placed as a marketing data analyst. Akshay as well getting placed from our data program, from sales and backend profile switch his career, and so on. I can go on and on. We have got Darshan over here who bridged this career gap. We have got Hafsha Wahab Again, from research to a data consultant domain, we have got Shri Shanti, we have got over here Julie, we have got over here Sandeep from PhD domain to a data consultant, Manikanta sales, customer support domain to a data analyst. We have got Shivam, BCom domain to a financial data analyst. Abhinav, he got placed as a business intelligence specialist in construction specialities. Rakesh from BSc to a data analyst in Chennai, he got placed in Cholamandalam investment banking, and so on, guys. We have got bunch of success stories like this. I can go on and on, like Vinay Kumar, BCom career gap to a data consultants, right? And I can go on and on and on with them, right? For example, Rishabh Rathod, Nikhil got placed as junior data scientist in Samsung, Ishita Roy, career gap to operational data analyst, and so on. And guys, right now what we are doing is we are forming last batch 2024 over here, right? And we are forming a batch under our data and business analytics department related to data science under our Lakshya 2024 batch. And again, always focus upon impactful and affordable learning as a part of this particular program. And what we have done is we usually try to do some tie-ups and collaborations, and our recent collaboration has been with Ishan Groups of Institution. It's a high-end technical and management institute, and they have agreed to fund our program, and we have bought our program under their corporate social responsibility initiative, CSR initiative, and they have agreed to fund 75% of the price of the program under their CSR initiative for the limited and selected students over here. And it was covered in Hindustan Times as well that jobaj.com and Ishan Groups of Institution collaborate to open new opportunities. So this way, guys, we keep on doing multiple collaborations to fund our mission, to sustain our operations, to also use their placement resources, training materials, right? So that we can also basically run our operations, right? This way, Ishan Groups of Institution is going to be our corporate social responsibility tie-up partner over here. And guys, with our CSR scholarship or before our CSR scholarship, the investment in this particular program was around 35k plus GST, which included all the learning and all the features of this particular program, whether it is, Excel learning, whether it is Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, or whether it is Tableau, Power BI, SQL, Looker Studio, 15 EDA projects, 15 case study based projects, virtual internship, resume building, one-to-one job profile optimization, live classes, on-demand lectures, everything was included under 35k plus GST. But with our recent Ishan CSR collaboration, we were able to reduce the price point to flat 75% scholarship you're going to get on the original pricing over here under our Lakshya 2024 batch. Okay, and guys, under our Lakshya 2024 batch, this 75% scholarship will be powered by Ishan collaboration, Ishan CSR scholarship, and the final investment in this particular program under CSR scholarship is going to be 6,999 plus GST for 35 students only, right? And over here, you will be also getting Chat GPT Plus subscription of 6 months worth 10,000 rupees, where you can explore multiple resume building GPTs, multiple data analytics GPTs, LinkedIn optimizer GPTs, and so on. Chat GPT Plus is a paid version, if you know that. 10,000 rupees of subscription of 6 months you are going to get with the help of Ishan student credentials of Chat GPT Plus. Lakshya 2024 is the coupon code. I will guide you where to apply that if you are interested, if you are willing to upgrade and upskill yourself. Flat 75% scholarship on the original pricing we are going to get again for 35 students over here. Entire program will be available to you at 6,999 plus GST without any hidden charges or without any additional fees whatsoever. And guys, the total investment or the duration of this particular program on an average will be around 4 months, 4 to 4.5 months. However, you can take some more time as well. No issues in that. You can take 5 months as well, 6 months as well. No issues in that. But on an average, it will take us around 4 months to complete the learning of this particular program. And apart from this, I would also like to tell you that over here we are going to target Penta certification from Jobage Learning on completion of data and business analytics advanced certification program, or with the help of free upgrade to data science. So you will get a separate certificate for free upgrade to data science skills as well. By procapital.com on completion of virtual internship under their analytics department. By Accenture on completion of data analytics virtual internship through Forage. By PwC Switzerland on completion of Power BI virtual internship through Forage, and by Quantium, where we are going to complete advanced analytics virtual internship through Forage. And we have got a proper brochure page in place as well, guys, which contains complete details. For example, if you will see, this is the Data and Business Analytics Advanced Certification Program in specialization with Tableau and Power BI. With a free upgrade to data science under my mentorship, I bring in my corporate experience of more than 7 years, specifically into the analytics domain. I bring in my training experience of more than 5 years, specifically into the analytics domain. So I will be a mentor over here. And we are forming 40 students batch over here, and we were requesting for all the 40 scholarship, but as of now we were able to crack 35 scholarship from Ishan. And students can simply click on apply today, guys, and once they click on apply today, you can simply enter the coupon code Lakshay 2024, LAKSHAY 2024, and once I click on apply promo, you're going to see the final investment in this program is going to be 6,999 plus GST. That's it. And guys, over here also there are two ways in which you can book your seat. You can book your seat in a one shot payment of 6,999 plus GST as well, right? That means your seat will get reserved instantaneously. We are going to have batch formation by 5th of November. By 6th of November, Wednesday late evening, we are going to have proper orientation as well. And instant access for the program you are going to get on Jobage Learnings, so that you can start your learning right within 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, guys, you will get access to the program and you will get all the instructions in your emails as well. Okay. But there is a second way also in which you can book your seat, guys. In case you are falling short of cash, you can also book your seat in a booking amount of just 1,100 rupees. This way, your seat will get reserved under the scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST only. Proper batch will get formed by 5th November, late evening. And proper orientation we are going to have by 6th November, which is Wednesday late evening. Proper links and reminders will be given to you. And after the orientation, you can clear the remaining dues as well, which is 6,999 minus 1,100, 5,899 plus GST. Both ways you can reserve your seat, guys. The team has given you two links in the chat section. The first is the full brochure link that they have given to you. In full brochure link, guys, this is the full brochure link, and over here you have to manually apply the coupon code, which is going to be Lakshay 2024, LAKSHAY without any space in between, 2024. And again, the final investment will be 6,999 plus GST. You can reserve your seat in one shot payment or a booking amount as well. The team has also given you a checkout link, guys. On checkout link, the coupon code is already applied, as you can see. You just have to enter your name, your email address and phone number, select any mode of payment, whether it is full amount or whether it is booking amount, and your seat is going to get reserved over here under this interactive scholarship cum mentorship based program. Alright, so again, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to be a part of this particular program, guys. And over here, I would like to tell you that Lakshay 2024 is the coupon code Akshay. Apart from this, guys, in case you want to download the brochure, you can download the brochure from here as well. There is a download brochure button. Simply click on it and the brochure will get downloaded in the PDF format. Whatever I have told you, right? Same things will get downloaded in the PDF format over here as well. In case you want to see the success stories, we have got a bunch of success stories over here that you can look from. Apart from this, guys, your dedicated questions and answer session also starts from now. You can ask any question to me. I am more than happy to guide you and assist you with all your questions with respect to your own career or with respect to this program. Anything that you want to discuss, feel free to post your question in the chat section. I am more than happy to guide you and assist you over here. Okay? All right. Regular students, we don't have 15 plus hours of class. Again, you don't have to spend 15 plus hours, Anjali Agarwal, in learning. I told you, right, if you can spend 3 to 5 hours per week, including weekend. I know you are students. I know you are working professionals, right? So again, this much amount of time you can spend 3 to 5 hours. Otherwise, you will never be able to upskill and upgrade yourself, okay? So it's a flexible mode of learning. Even though you miss the live class, you will get recordings. On-demand lectures, you have got lifetime access, so don't worry on that, okay? Yes, we have got SQL learning also included as a part of this program, Padma Shri. End-to-end SQL learning, along with SQL, Tableau, Power BI learning, end-to-end projects, Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Excel, Looker Studio, all your learning is included as a part of this particular program, okay? Gaming graphic card, AMD Ryzen integrated graphic card. Again, you don't need graphic card. Graphic card is for gaming and all, and UI UX and all, right? So for data analytics, you don't need graphic card. This laptop, I have been using this laptop from last 2 years, and I don't have any, advanced graphic card. So don't worry on that, Anjali Agarwal. Okay. All right. Along with this, the final investment, Sandeep Kumar, is 6,999 plus GST. You can also book your seat in one shot payment or in a booking amount of 1,100. Guys, booking amount is not an additional amount. It is included in the final pricing. It is flexible mode of payment, right? All right. Along with this, from when this program will be held on? So, Aisha, by 5th of November, we are going to form proper batch. By 6th of November, Wednesday, late evening, we will have orientation, and then we will have subsequent on-demand lectures and live classes started for this particular batch. Okay. How can we register, Anjali? You have got the link in the chat section. You can click on full brochure link and manually apply the coupon code. You can click on checkout link as well, where the coupon code is already applied over there. Okay. Along with this, total duration of the course, including placement support, total duration of the learning of this particular program, Vandana, is going to be around 4 to 5 months. However, you can take some more time as well, no issues in that. And there is no hard time limit on the placement support because we want to support you till the end. So end-to-end resume building, one-to-one resume building and optimization, one-to-one job profile optimization, live mock interviews, referrals, one-to-one job leads will be given to you as a part of our placement assistance service, which is powered by jobaj.com as well. Okay. All right. Along with this, all the success stories that I have shown you so far are for previous batch only, right? And you can also, and all our success stories are in public, guys, so that everyone can take advantage of that. Okay. Doing MBA in marketing, so you can go for senior marketing data analyst job roles as well. I showed you, right, Kavya, who got placed as a marketing data analyst in Deloitte, Australia. So again, in marketing domain also, data or big data is used very, very extensively. Okay. All right. Along with this, let me quickly check any other question that you have got. Will this program will be offline or online? Our virtual internships, learning, live classes, everything will be online as a part of this program. If you are an undergraduate student, if you want to build a good portfolio, Nilesh Male, if you want proper assistance till the placement companies come in your college, if you want to apply for off-campus placement internship, want to prepare for aptitude, build a great project portfolio, resume portfolio, I am going to be a mentor as a part of this program, whether you are in first, second, third, fourth, or any year out there. Okay. Vandana Singh, our live classes will be on weekends, on-demand lectures on weekdays, 24/7 Discord support you're going to get as a part of this program. Rajiv Casey, end-to-end Python we are going to learn. Operators, looping, data structures, file handling, right? So in our free upgrade to data science, end-to-end Python also we are going to learn in the practical learning manner. And whatever we are going to learn, we are going to practice on kaggle.com. Okay. Shri Krishna Reddy, it is already a scholarship-based program. You can do your market research, right? You can do your market research anywhere you find program at this pricing with live class included, with one-to-one mentorship and limited batch sizing. You can come back to me, right? It's already a scholarship-based program. 6,999 plus GST. That's it. Or you can book your seat in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees as well. Okay. Along with this, guys, I quickly want to tell you that around 9 students have already reserved their seats. So I welcome all the 9 students over here, guys. I wholeheartedly welcome you all. An instant email notification you will be getting, and your name will appear in this counter as well. So guys, 9 students have already booked their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or in a booking amount of 1,100. Both ways you can do that. Okay. I would like to welcome Mona Lisa Ramekar, Rishi Lakshmanan, Priyanka Mehra, Arjun Nair, Kavya Oberoi, Dev Patil, Shruti Pradhan, and Siddharth Rai, and Meera Reddy as well. So guys, once you book your seat, your name will appear in this counter and instant email confirmation will be sent to you on your registered email ID. And you don't have to worry about that, about batch formation. The operations team of Jobaj will take care of it. By 5th of November, proper batch is going to get formed as well. Don't worry on that. Okay. I want to enroll for this for my elder brother, but he has experienced executive assistant for 11 plus years. That is perfectly fine. You can enroll for your friends and families as well. There is no issue in that. I encourage that you learn with your friends and families, because that way you are even more motivated to complete the program as soon as possible with the proper quality as well. So again, there is no issue in that. You can reserve their seat in a booking amount of 1,100 also. Nilesh, you can book your seat in a booking amount of 6,999 plus GST as well. Whatever suits you, no issue in that. Okay. I'm from automobile domain. I don't know even 1% of this. How much time can I learn? Right from basics, we are going to start, Jitendran. In fact, automobile companies like Uno Minda is hiring for manufacturing analytic job roles. I have personally worked for them in Manesar, right? So again, right from basics, we are going to learn an upskill. Even what is data, what is a row, what is a column, at that level we are going to learn an upskill. And wherever you are stuck, I'm going to help you. It's a complete mentorship based program. I will be showing you also how students schedule time with me, one-to-one calls with me. Where is my Discord portal? Where is my learning portal? I will be showing you all of these things. Don't worry on that. Yes, this is Data and Business Analytics Advanced Certification Program, but from beginning we are going to start iPhone, and it's a free upgrade to Data Science certification as well once we complete the Data and Business Analytics learning. Okay. Lavanya said, I'm finally a BBA student specializing in BA in finance. What kind of field? So you can go for financial data analyst job openings, right? Financial data analyst can be a great job opening for you since your specialization is in finance, right? Okay. So I hope you understand, Lavanya. But having said that, you can go into core analytical job openings also, like data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, analytical associate. No one will stop you in that. But since you have specialization in finance, that is why you can basically you will get added advantage as a financial data analyst. My brother also got placed as a junior financial data analyst recently, right? Okay. Once you reserve your seat, Sandeep, in 1100 rupees, proper batch is going to get formed, proper orientation. And after orientation, at later point of time, in flexible mode of payment, you can clear the remaining dues as well, which is 6999 minus 1100, right? Which is going to be 5899 plus GST. Okay. Senior marketing data analyst, what salary can I expect? Since you're going for senior marketing data analyst, that means you must have been a marketing data analyst or you must have been doing a job at some point of time. So that depends upon what kind of salary you are fetching right now, what kind of jobs you apply for, what kind of companies you are targeting, how strong is your skill set, how your interview went, and so on. So once we get that much ready, right, then we will have proper discussion like what kind of salary you can command, right? If you are going for this particular job interview, this particular JD, this particular company, and so on, Sadhya. So for each job interview, we have a proper discussions on the JDs as well, on the job descriptions as well. Okay. Yes, as a fresher also it's perfectly fine. As a fresher, you will be going forward with marketing data analyst, and after that, after some time, you will be going forward with senior marketing data analyst. All right. So first of all, of course, you have to start with marketing data analyst job profiles over there. Okay. I will be helping you in that. All right. Along with this, how can we contact you? So good question, Mutu. So I'll tell you, right from day one, right from our orientation, we are going to have proper instructions on how to connect with your mentor on one-to-one basis on their Discord portal. So again, proper instructions will be given to you directly from me, that how can you connect with me on my Discord portal on one-to-one basis, and I will be guiding you on any of your question. In fact, even if you want to have a one-to-one call with me, I am more than happy to guide you and assist you in that. Okay. So I hope you understand that. Along with this, guys, let me also quickly do, sir, can we really do all the internships? So yes, we are going to do all these virtual internships as a part of this program. 6 virtual internships will be covered under my mentorship. Wherever you are stuck, I'm going to help you and guide you. And since they are a virtual internship, don't think that you have to go to an office and you have to complete it in 6 months and all. Virtual internships are self-paced virtual internships where you are going to complete your task and assignments over there. Okay. And you have to solve a case study, you have to give a recommendation to the client. So again, I will be a mentor anywhere you are stuck in those virtual internships also. Okay. Yes, if you're a fresher or a working professional or a career dropout or a student, all of you are equally eligible to be a part of it, Sadhya. If you're from trading domain, you can go for algo trading as well, in case you like to do that, right? Over here, extensive data analysis is used, right? iPhone user, your name is not mentioned over there. All right. Along with this, guys, let me also quickly show you some more features of this program, some more portals in this particular program as well. But before I do that, I quickly want to tell you that around 14 students have reserved their seats as a part of this particular program. Last 26 seats are remaining now. Top 35 students can book their seat in a scholarship amount of 6999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1100. Both ways you can do that. Okay. 14 students have already reserved their seats. Last 26 seats are remaining, and 21 seats are remaining for the scholarship amount over here. I would like to welcome over here, guys. We have got Akash Verma, Disha Thakur, Rahul Surana, and Ananya Singh. Welcome to this program, and Alok Saha as well. Welcome to this particular program. Again, super excited to be a mentor for this particular program, guys, and a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Dedicated batch will be formed by 5th of November itself. And guys, over here we have got bunch of success stories as well. For example, you will see Akshay over here getting placed as a data analyst, sharing about his background, sharing about his skill set, sharing about his how he upskilled from job learning. We've got Darshan over here as well, who bridged a career gap to get into the analytics. You might need sometimes you all our success stories in public so that we can build that trust among students, and students can learn from these alumni as well, right? What kind of roadmap they followed, what kind of projects they have built for themselves. So similarly, we have got Hafsha Wahab over here, who's from research background. She got placed
Now this is a very good
data
opportunity
analytics
for the
consultant. Again, talking about the
for those
roadmap
who
that
want
she
to take a
followed,
career
skills,
transition, because
interview
now the
questions being
companies they
asked to
need
her.
data analysts,
Similarly, we have
business
got Sandeep over here from teaching domain. It
Analytics or
transition his
something like
career
that,
to
right?
a data
So
consultant.
still
Again,
you
talking
are
about
able
the interview
to
process, rounds of interview
get into
questions,
the
what
analytics
kind of
field
resume
and
you should
actually
target, what kind of
had that
portfolio you can
mindset in the
target,
mind
what kind
that
of
I can
roadmap
change my
should you
career.
strategize for
I
yourself.
mean, I believe you.
Similarly, we have got Manikanta from sales, customer support domain, entirely unrelated domain over there. To a data analyst, again sharing his experience, very inspiring success story for each and every one of us. We have got Abhinav Kumar as well, who got placed as a business intelligence specialist. Again, guys, the name of the profiles can be different. The names of the profile can be different. For example, over here we have got business intelligence specialist, but the kind of work you do in that is going to remain more or less same, because what is the full form of Power BI? The full form of Power BI is Power Business Intelligence. So this way, again, you're going to see that a bunch of different type of job Tableau here that you can target for yourself. We have got Rakesh over here from BSc, sharing about his educational qualifications, interview experience, kind of work he do, kind of roadmap he follow to get into the analytics domain. Along with this, we have got Vinay Kumar, BCom career gap to a data.
So actually we generate a day-to-day data.
Topics in SQL.
So we mostly
questions
people
being
join
asked to him, what kind of
to join
roadmap
the
he
data.
followed. Along
And
with this, guys, we have
after
got
the
over here Nikhil, we have got Rishabh Rathod,
then you
as junior data scientist in Samsung as a part of our previous batch. And that is why we were able to crack the Ishan scholarship, because 15 edtech companies applied for Ishan CSR scholarship. We were one to crack it because of our placement assistance, our success stories, and our quality training materials. Right? Again, we were trying for it from last 3 quarters. We were not able to crack it, but for this time, we were able to crack end-to-end corporate social responsibility from Ishan as well, and the corporate social responsibility scholarship for 2025 batch will be dependent upon 2024 batch, right? So we will, again, we have to make sure that we work hard and we provide that numbers to Ishan as well, our placement assistance to Ishan as well, course completion number to Ishan as well, so that we can continue this virtual, we can continue this scholarship in Lakshya 2025 as well, right? It is all dependent upon the previous batch, because a lot of companies apply for the scholarship to get selected. All right. Along with this, guys, we have got again career gap to operational data analysis. This is Ishita Roy transitioning her career from a career gap to a operational data analyst over here, sharing her experience, her skill sets, her roadmap, and so on. So this way, you're going to see that you will get a lot of confidence for yourself as well by listening to the success stories. We have got sales, civil background to analytical project manager. This is Vipin Kumar Rao sharing about his interview questions being asked to him, HR on questions from sales, civil background, completely unrelated, profile and his previous career. So as I told you, with the right projects, right mentorships, right skill sets, right portfolio, all of us are equally eligible to be a part of analytics domain out there. Right, all of us are equally eligible to be a part of it. Okay. Ishita Pandey as well, who got placed as a business analyst. A lot of people have misconception that. All right, hello everyone. So today we have Ishita Pandey with us. She is one of the student of data analytics batch over here, talking about the skill sets, important topics to focus upon. Similarly, for interview process guide, what kind of final capstone project she built for herself, which was credit card fraud detection over here. And as you can see over here, again we have got profile also. For example, if I'm going to open her project profile on kaggle.com, you are going to see this is Ishita Pandey Kaggle profile on kaggle.com, where she has got her credit card fraud detection project listed over here. So this way we capture the project portfolio of our own students as well, so that we can understand, right, what kind of project they have built for themselves. Okay, what kind of projects they have built for themselves, and other students can also learn from that. For example, what kind of work she has done for credit card fraud detection. It's one of a very important use case, specifically in the field of banking, right, in the field of banking analytics. So this way, end-to-end project building also we are going to have over here as a part of this program. And again, this way you get proper project portfolios of the students as well. Again, we have got fresher success stories also. For example, Ashwati Dinesh getting placed as a fresher data analyst in eClerks Pune, talking about what kind of skill sets she possesses, what kind of work she do, and what kind of how many rounds of interview she had. or how many interview questions are asked to work. We have got associate data consultants as well, again getting placed in Cap Gemini. This is K Karuna getting placed as an associate data consultant in again Bangalore, right, in Cap Gemini. We have got over here career switchers as well. We have, for example, from electrical domain to analytical project manager. It's
Worried
again
about
for
the
us
current
completely different
power
domain, which is
supply.
electrical to
We are getting
analytical
continuously
project
current.
manager. We have got non-tech domain to business analyst success story. Also, this is Aryan Surana talking about how one-to mentorship helped him. We have got Khushi Yadav as well, who took 5 years of career gap and then transitioned her career as a data analyst after taking 5 years of career gap. We have got Hari Haran getting placed in Chennai as a data analyst from Jobless. We have got multiple offer students as well. For example, Jagjit Kalra. Welcome. We have got two job offers, one from New Sigma as a decision scientist and one from Expand My Business as a business analyst. He chose the second one because of location preferences. Again, talking about what kind of tools he use, what kind of mandatory skills to focus upon, and what kind of tips he has got for freshers. Mechanical student success story also we have got from mechanical domain to data analysis. This is Dharmesh Sutha who got placed in the moody fashion. Again, talking about the companies, interview questions, skill sets, tools, technologies, advice we have got for the future analytics aspirant. We have got Vinod as well, who switched his career to a data analyst in Indian American Foundation. Shrestha Upadhyay who got placed as Power BI developer in Greenpoint Global, and so on, guys, over here. Bunch of success story get posted on bi-weekly manner. And guys, our generative AI program is also included as a part of it. Your generative AI skills are also included. Let me show you more about it. But before that, 21 students have already reserved their seats, guys. 21 students have booked their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Both ways you can do that. Last 19 seats are remaining as a part of this particular program. Top 35 students can book their seats in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Okay, so I would like to welcome over here. We have got Aditi Gajjar, Vikram Datta, Manisha Deol. We have got Karan Chakrabarti, Naina Bajaj, Rajiv Avasti, Priya Yadav. Welcome to this particular program, guys. Instant email confirmation you are going to get once you complete your reservation, either in full amount or in booking amount. Both ways you can do that. Okay. All right. So we have got some questions over here from when the program will start. So first of all, Krishna, we are going to have proper batch formation on 5th of November, which is coming Tuesday morning. And by Wednesday late evening, we are going to have a proper induction session. And by coming weekend, we are going to start with our live class and on-demand lectures as well, right? So I hope you understand that. Along with this, how many seats are remaining? Sadhya, 21 seats have been booked. 19 seats are remaining as a part of this program. And top 35 students can book their seat in a one-shot payment of 6,999 plus GST or in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Both ways you can do that. Okay. Muthu Kumar M. So once the counter get updated, your name will reflect over here. Basically, your name will reflect over here. All right. Along with this, let me check some more questions over here. Okay, is Tableau Power BI both included? Yes, guys, both are included. Very good question from over here, Animesh. Do I have to pay any license fees for Tableau and Power BI? So, guys, you don't have to pay any license fees. I will be giving you the links. With the help of those links, again, you don't have to pay anything, right? So, don't worry. 6,999 plus GST is the final amount, final investment, not a single penny beyond that. Okay. Is there any basic technical skill certification? I did not get it. Questions, Taman Parmar. Right from basic, we're going to start. There is no prior knowledge required to be a part of this particular program. Don't worry on that. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Okay, now along with this, guys, your generative AI skills are also included as a part of it. Your generative AI skills, your prompt based skills, chat gpt specifically for data analytics, how to write correct prompts on chat gpt, how to boost your productivity on chat gpt. Along with this, how to do AI powered reporting, AI powered data visualization, and your chat gpt plus subscription also you are going to get, guys. For example, if I will open chat gpt, you're going to see this is chat gpt plus, where I can explore multiple gpts over here. For example, let me click on explore gpts. So over here we have got such great gpts. For example, resume building gpt. It's very very important because you can directly upload your resume over here. For example, if I'm going to upload one of my student resume I was reviewing yesterday, it was Roshni resume, I can simply open that and I can simply ask that to make my resume ATS compatible. It will basically guide you that how can we make your resume ATS compatible, what are the issues if you want to target data analytical job openings. So it has read all the content, and now I'm going to simply say that yes, I will write yes. Okay. So you're going to see it will basically guide you that on the basis of using action verb, what is your rating? On the basis of methodology, explain what is your rating and so on, and what is your final weighting over here, right? So this way it will guide you that where you can improve, where you can upgrade. You can also ask it to make your resume ATS friendly. Again, it will guide you, right, even further that how to make your resume ATS friendly, and not even that, you have got data analytics GPTs as well over here, which is not available in Chat GPT Basic. So you can do advanced data analysis over here also. This way, guys, Chat GPT plus subscription, $20 per month per user is the price. For 6 months, it will be powered by Ishan student credentials so that you can stay ahead, right, of your game as far as your peers are concerned. All right. So generative AI skills is also included at no extra cost. You can read the success stories of our top performers. Who's this program for all the students who are right now in their college, first, second, third, fourth year, who want to upscale, upgrade themselves under my mentorship, who want to basically build a career into the analytics domain, who want to apply for off-campus placement internship, who want to make sure that they build a great resume, prepare for aptitude, and get proper placement assistance till the placement companies come in their college. I will be your mentor, right? In case you're a working professional, guys, working in any department, any domain whatsoever, right? Again, want to switch their career, start their career into the analytics domain, I will be your mentor over here again, guys. I will be guiding you end to end as a part of this program. If you want to apply for, let's suppose, internal job posting, right, or if you want to switch your career into the analytics sector, again, I would be your mentor over here. I have also done it because as you know, I am from electronics domain. I have also switched my career into the analytics sector. I will be guiding you end to end as a part of this program, and I will be showing you all my calls as well, how students set up calls with me on one-to-one basis and so on, right? Just give me some time, I will be showing you about it as well. All right. Along with this, if you have taken a career gap because of any reason, don't extend your career gap unnecessarily, guys. I am not saying that spend lakhs of rupees and learn something, but don't extend your career gap unnecessarily. Start learning, do some virtual internships, start upskilling, because you can fill that career gap with that upskilling also. Got it? That I was working as a intern in Java learning. I was working on these projects. I was upskilling myself. That also fills your career gap. So don't extend your career gap unnecessarily. Along with this, if you're a fresher straight out of college, or if you are a career switcher, for example, you are from art domain and you want to switch your career into the analytics domain, I will be guiding you end to end how to do that with the right projects and right portfolio. And your tentative weekly learning is also mentioned over here, guys, right? For example, week one will be about data core concept, the fundamental semester to get into the analytics domain, which will create your interest in the field of analytics. Why data is the new oil? Netflix, Amazon case studies, job roles in data. What does Gartner say? Different types of data analysis. Data literacy concepts like what is big data, what is metadata, right? What is a data wrangling? What is relational database? What is database? What is schema? Aggregation, KPI. All these are fundamental concepts that we are going to focus upon initially, guys. Then we are going to move towards Microsoft Excel complete mastery. You cannot ignore Excel at any cost. 150 plus lectures are dedicated just for Excel learning. That is how powerful Excel learning is for us, right? Along with this, guys, all your upcoming business intelligence tool, for example, Google Data Studio, also known as Looker Studio, will be included as a part of our learning, right? So we give free updates as well. For example, in next 6 months also a new tool has been introduced, so we will include that also if it is important, right? Along with this, your SQL level 1 learning, SQL level 2 learning, SQL hacker rank guaranteed gold badge, Power BI level 1 and level 2 learning, Tableau level 1, level 2 learning, Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib in our free upgrade to data science skills will also be included end to end as a part of this program. And you don't have to be from a IT domain to get into the analytics sector, guys. It's a techno functional job role. I am from electronics domain as well. So again, all of you are equally eligible to be a part of it. Along with this, your virtual internships are also guaranteed. 6 digital and virtual internships are going to get guaranteed as a part of this program under my mentorship. 6 individual certificates with no additional fees. Vishal, don't worry on that, right? Certificate. Oh, virtual internships are included as a part of it, right? And students who complete the program on time will be getting a reward coupons as well, ranging between 500 to 5,000 INR from Jobaj. This is our way to motivate our students even further. Again, guys, I welcome you all to be a part of this exclusive data community, right? And 25 seats have been reserved. I did not realize that. 25 students have booked their seats, guys, in a scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Both ways you can do that. Okay. Along with this, last 15 seats are remaining, and top 35 students can book their seat in a scholarship amount of 6,999 or in a booking amount of 1,100 rupees. Right. So 10 more seats are remaining under scholarship amount. I would like to welcome over here. Okay, so we have got over here Ekta Kumari, Sadia Malik, Mudu Kumar M, and we have got Rishi Hanumanan. Welcome to this particular program, guys. All right. Any question you want to ask with respect to your career or anything in general, feel free to ask it. I am more than happy to guide you. So again, Mudu Kumar, you can simply sign up on Job Art Learning. I will be guiding you with the same registered email ID, and you will be seeing your program over there. Okay. Yes, Abhishek Kumar, you can do that, right? It's you can do in flexible mode of payment also. You can book your seat in booking amount of 1,100 rupees as well, right? Yes. Just give me a moment. Okay. Along with this, let me check some more questions over here, guys. Duration, yes, duration of this. See, there is no expiry fees. There is no renewal fees on this, right? Don't worry on that, Varsha Kalal. There is no renewal or expiry fees. On an average, it will take us around 4 to 5 months, but you can take some more time as well. It's not like after 5 months you have to pay a renewal fees. A lot of platforms do that you have to pay a renewal fees, expiry fees, so that your content, your mentorship can get renewed. But over here, there is no renewal fees and expiry fees. Don't worry on that. End-to-end mentorship you're going to get. But as I told you, on an average, around I would say 4 to 5 months. But you can take some more time as well. There is no issue in that. Okay. So I hope you understand that. Now, guys, beyond this, let me also quickly show you some more portals over here that will basically, guide you that what kind of different portals we have got. For example, let me open Jobash learning portals over here, right? Or even before I open Jobash learning portal, let me show you some interview portals. So you see, we have got our own interview portals also. For example, what kind of interview questions are asked to our own students? For example, when we run placement assistance drive, what kind of questions are asked by Deloitte? What kind of questions are asked by PwC, EY? Top 15 data science questions asked to our students, right? Along with this, top 35 big data questions asked to our students, top 31 business analysis questions asked to our students, and so on. So this way, we maintain a repository of questions as well, which is asked to our students who have successfully transitioned their career, right? So this way, guys, you will get a lot of idea that you can prepare for these interview questions as well before in hand, and our portal keeps on getting updated, right? Along with this, guys, I've got a very strong backing from jobage.com. As I told you, it has been ranked as one of the best job portal, not by us, but by Yahoo Finance, right? And it has been ranked as the fourth best job portal since 2021 as well. So again, guys, this way we have got jobage.com, our parent firm over here. And over here also you will see Power BI certification. If I'm going to open that, just for Power BI, it's going to cost you 16,000 rupees plus GST. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's up to your budget, right? If you want to learn under scholarship pricing, again, 6,999 plus GST is the final amount for the entire program, where you know about the teaching methodology of your mentors, right? Along with this, guys, we run massive placement drives also. For example, if I'm going to write Jobage massive placement drives, so you're going to see we run massive placement drives on LinkedIn communities, on our own job portals as well for our own students, right? Along with this, we run massive placement drive for our international students also. I will be showing you that we have got a lot of Emirates, and we run international placement drive for Dubai students as well. Again, freshers and job seekers, gear up. Virtual placement drive is going to get started. We are right now in the mega hiring drive phase 5. Right from 0 years of experience to 10 plus years of experience, we are hiring in all the domain. So this way, guys, again, you will be a part of all these massive placement hiring drives as well. Along with this is our job portal, which is jobage.com. Jobage.com is an exclusive job portal for Jobage learning students. They have got a database of more than 6 lakh job openings with multiple top hiring partners associated with this job portal. Again, multiple job of the day get posted every day for our students, and students can subscribe to the job alerts as well over here. This way, guys, again, proper job portal also you're going to get, proper interview portal we have got, proper, I would say, learning portal we have got as well. Let me show you our learning portal also, which is going to be jobashlearning.com, where all your learning will be hosted. And I will be showing you many more portals as well. And we keep on doing multiple collaboration. For example, guys, you're going to see that recently we have done a collaboration with IBM. Job Learning is collaborating with IBM to offer international level of education as well. This is a recent collaboration we have done with them to make sure that we can improve the quality of our program. We can provide assistance to our students as well on end-to-end basis and so on. So if you want to read that, you can read that, which got published in Asian news articles as well. So this way, we keep on doing multiple collaborations to sustain our operations missions and to ever increase the quality of our programs on scholarship pricing, right, on impactful and affordable learning initiative. All right, along with this, this is jobajlearnings.com. Let me quickly open it up, but before that, let me check some questions that you have got. So guys, over here, okay, let me check. Okay. All right. Let me check some questions, guys. Seems like we've got a lot of questions over here. Don't worry. I will be answering all of them. Okay. For student who booked in 1100 of price, you're also eligible for scholarship price, right? That is right, Ekta Singh. If you have booked in 1100 in top 35 participants, you are all eligible for scholarship. You will just have to pay the remaining amount, which is fixed 999 minus 1100 rupees, right? Don't worry on that. Okay. Stavan Pramar, if you have an exam coming up, you can pause the program also. Don't worry on that. Okay, so it's not like there will be a mandatory time slot, and if you don't attend the live class, there will be an issue. No, you can pause the program as well for that particular point of time, and then again you can resume your program. It's perfectly flexible program for working professionals and students as well. Okay. Along with this, Sadia, if you have booked your seat at 1100 rupees, you just have to pay the remaining amount. After orientation, you can do that. No issues in that. Okay. Yes, end-to-end placement assistance, Sri Krishna Reddy, you are going to get from my side. I will be showing you, right? I will be showing you the Job Learning portal as well, placement assistance connect as well. Don't worry, right? Step by step, I'm going to show you. All right. This is Jobaj Learning's portal, guys, and we have got bunch of mentors associated with Jobaj Learnings over here. I am going to be a chief mentor, and they have got dedicated mobile application also, mobile app also. Okay, you can learn through any of them, but I personally use website, and guys, you will see that right now individual, right, without our scholarship, individual crash course is going to cost you 4999. Okay, let me just quickly log in. So you see, right now also in our Diwali sale also, crash course you get in 5,000 rupees. So you see individual crash course. For example, if you want to learn just Python, 5,000, just SQL, 5,000 more and so on. This is our Diwali sale. But under CSR scholarship pricing, the game changes altogether, because all the learning you're going to get in 6,999 plus GST. You don't have to pay individual 5,000 rupees for learning individual skills over here. Got it? So I hope you understand that. All right. Now this is our program, guys. Data and Business Analytics Advanced Certification Program. This is where all our learning will be hosted. You see, our welcome kit will be given to you. Data core concept, the fundamental semester to get into the analytics domain. Microsoft Excel complete mastery, our first practical hands-on semester. Python core concepts, your add-on skill. For example, if you want to learn Python first, you can learn that. There is no issues that you have to follow a particular order. Again, NumPy Pandas Matplotlib. Zero to Hero in SQL, Looker Studio, Tableau Beginner to Advanced, Power BI Beginner to Advanced. Your live classes and guest lectures are also uploaded in case you missed the live class because of any reason. For example, recently we were having a live class on prediction using distance analysis. Right? So this way we have proper live classes as well, and I take live class of limited students. 1,000, 2 and 1500. I'm going to help you. So now I will be finding out a distance. Guys, not between the live class, you get proper notes, proper recordings, and proper data sets for those live classes also. For example, and over here you're going to see proper notes and data sets will be given to you. 1 point. Similarly, you see we have got moving average forecasting live class over here. So again, right from basics, we learn multiple case studies in our live class. I will find out the errors we complete in the live classes as well. Formula of error so that you can include is as a end-to-end project. Actual value complete live class. It is an end-to-end project that we complete. Okay, that you can include in your resume. Actual is 20. Right. For example, again, proper notes and data set links will be given to you. Market basket analysis. It's a case study that we complete. Value will be 10. I also invite a lot of guests as a now. If I have to tell you, example, what is the I invite Anubhav Walia from Deloitte, who is a senior consultant in Deloitte. Again, sharing his experience, his skill sets with us, right? And you can build your professional network with these industry veterans also, right? Along with this, I invite Priyanshu Dubey from Ernst& Young through my corporate network, Mahendra Thakur from ZS Associate, Umesh Saxena from Trinity Life Sciences and so on, right? So this way, again, proper assistance you're going to get. And before I show you more features, guys, I quickly want to check the counter as well. All right, 29 seats have been reserved as a part of this program. So guys, 29 students have booked their seats right now. Last 11 seats are remaining under the scholarship amount of 6,999 plus GST or a booking amount of 1,100. Both ways you can do that. Both ways, guys, your seat will get reserved under scholarship amount only. Okay. Last 11 seats are remaining over here, and total 35 students can book their seat under scholarship amount over here. Okay. No additional fees beyond that. Again, 6,999 plus GST is the final amount that you will be booking your seat for. Okay. Apart from this, guys, I would like to welcome over here. We have got. Okay, we have got Abhishek Kumar, we have got Anjali Kapoor, Rohan Jaiswal and Priya Iyer. Welcome to this program. And proper batch is going to get formed by 5th of November itself. All right. Along with this, let me also quickly guide you that today we were learning about Tableau, right? So let me just open any one module. For example, live class that I have already opened. Let me open Power BI. Just check. It is not a basic program, right? 25 hours of learning just for Power BI we are going to have. 161 lectures, you see. So basic program will have maximum 7 to 8 learnings. Intermediate program 15 hours of learning. But advanced end-to-end learning program will have, like, specifically for Power BI will have close to like 25 hours of learning. So right from introduction to Power BI, what is Power BI, why we should learn, download installation to transforming data in Power Query, you see dedicated lectures we have got. 2. Learning about join and union operations in Power BI. 2. Learning about how can we transform our data using Power Query. 2. Learning about adding new column, establishing relationships between tables. These are all advanced concepts, right? 2. Learning about DAX. DAX is missing in a lot of programs, and I don't know why it is missing in a lot of programs, but it is very, very important, guys. So we are going to learn end-to-end DAX, statistical function, and so on. And let me show you that we have got bunch of tools as well. For example, let me open some tools for you so that you get some idea. But let me check. Oh, okay, my screen is paused. Okay, sorry about that. So let me just quickly open it up. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So you see, I was just telling you that over here we have got around 25 hours of learning just for Power BI over here, containing complete end-to-end learning in proper structured learning manner and proper doubt assistance, live classes, one-to-one mentorship you are going to get as a part of it. You see. So 25 hours of learning of Power BI right from basics till advanced level. And let me also show you some more features of this program. For example, build my free resume. This is a premium tool which is built by the team of Jobaj for Jobaj learning students. And before I show you this, let me quickly check some questions over here as well. Okay, let me check. How many projects we are going to complete? So we are going to complete 15 EDA projects, 15 case study based projects, 4 visualization project, 6 virtual internship, and 1 capstone project as a part of this particular program. Okay, so okay, let me check more. Let me quickly check some more questions, guys. Just give me a moment. Okay. Third year CSS student, could you recommend some, again, end-to-end Tableau project you are going to do, and your educational background will also help you a lot, right? Because you're in third year, you have got 1 year till the placement companies will come in your college, wherever Kumari, right? So it will help you a lot going forward, okay? All right. Now, along with this, guys, this is resume building portal. Now, if I'll go inside this, you're going to see a resume building portal by Jobaj is going to get open, and this contains ATS friendly resume templates for our students. So it is not just a learning program that you're enrolling for, it's a complete ecosystem that you're enrolling for, guys. Again, your corporate resume, professional resume, modern resume, premium resume templates, everything will be given to us so that we can build an end-to-end strong resume for ourselves. This tool is worth 2499. It will be provided as a bonus to our students. Similarly, we have got Optimize Your LinkedIn Profile. LinkedIn Profile Optimizer is a tool which is built by the team of Jobaj, again for Jobaj learning students. And if I'll click on Optimize My Profile, you are going to see, if I'll click on Let's Get Started, and let me quickly log in over here as well. So you are going to see that over here, guys, it will basically fetch the details and give me rating on my LinkedIn profile. It has given me a rating of 61 out of 100. And I can get inside that to find out it has given me 10 out of 20 in summary. Why, right? So I can find out the reasons. You have to widen your summary. There is no call to action found in your summary. Okay. Similarly, Headline, I am lacking in the headline section. Where? Make the headline bigger. There are too many symbols in your headline, right? So this way, guys, it is worth 3499, which will fetch all the details from your LinkedIn profile and it will guide you what issues you have, how can you correct it. So this way, guys, you get, you know, premium tools access also the part of it program. Okay. And the actual investment in this program, if I will go to the data category and if I'm going to click on this, you see this is our program that we have got. Let me enter some random entry over here. Okay. So you see, guys, the actual investment in this particular program beyond our scholarship price is going to be 25k plus GST on our own portal itself. Okay. But under our scholarship amount, it is going to just cost you 6999 plus GST. That's it. All right. Along with this, okay, 33 seats have been booked, guys. That is good. So last 7 seats are remaining as a part of this particular program. 33 students have already reserved their seats over here. Okay. Last 7 seats are remaining. Top 35 students can book their seat in a scholarship amount of 6999 plus GST or in a booking amount of 1100 rupees. Again, Lakshya 2024 is the coupon code. You can book your seat through a checkout link also, because on checkout link, guys, the coupon code is already applied and you don't have to apply it manually. Okay. All right. Now, let me quickly check. Okay, so let me quickly check the names as well. So I would like to welcome, guys, Riya Lal, Amit, Anjali, and we have got Varsha. Welcome to this program. And proper batch is going to get formed by 5th of November. Proper orientation by 6th of November, late evening. Okay. Uh, don't worry, Anjali. Okay. All right, guys. Let me check. Any career related question you want to ask, you can ask that as well. Okay. I'm more than happy to guide you. And now, guys, you see, I keep on running one-to-one Google Meet call as well. For example, if I'll show you my calendar, yesterday only I had a very extensive call with one of my students. Her name is Roshni. And I showed you a resume, right? That was the resume that we were reviewing yesterday, and we were having proper mock interview sessions as well. You see, Roshni mock interview. Yesterday we had it. Uh, on Yesterday was Diwali, right? No, day before yesterday was Diwali. Okay, yesterday we had it. So you see, we have proper mock interviews as well. I set up with my students on one-to-one basis. And this is my Discord portal. This is where students interact with me. They can discuss with me. They can have proper assistance, with me. So I was reviewing this resume of Roshni, yesterday. So it's a great resume, simple, clean, easily formatted. All the links are there so that anyone can click on these links and verify her credentials. So this way, for example, if anyone will click on this virtual internship, her certificate is going to get open. So it's a great resume for freshers specifically, but I have guided her with some more recommendations how to optimize this resume even further. Along with this is my Discord community, guys. This is where students interact with me. This is where they can ask their questions to me, and I am more than happy to guide them and assist them on one-to-one basis on my Discord portal. For example, this is Roshni I was having a discussion with yesterday, and you will see over here that again I am guiding her with job profile optimization guide, placement assistance document. And again, we had a call yesterday, and over here you're going to see I guided her that what kind of important topics to focus upon for mock interviews. I also guided her on personal level, like what kind of, how to improve your Naukri profile, resume profile, publish Power BI projects on Novi Pro, link of market basket analysis project is missing, maximum 2 lines and 2 bullet points, mention, the correct, pay that you are fetching, resume headlines has to match with resume. Along with this, multiple connects we have had, right? You see over here, skills include like Rakshit resume, include Power BI project as your repository project, include top 2 EDA projects, 2 analytical case study based projects, and 1 Tableau project. Follow Pradeep and pattern. So you see, this way you get proper assistance as well. These are all my students: Vishaka, Purva, Vish, Rajesh, Ravi, Roshni, Abhishek, who have proper discussion with me on one-to-one basis, and I am more than happy to guide them and assist them over here. For Meghna also, we had a similar level of discussion. Again, guiding her with so this is the final resume that Meghna built for herself, and you see one pager, clean and lean, easily formatted resume, and again with all the links mentioned over here as well, all the portfolio links mentioned at the top. For example, if I'll click on Forage portfolio, Meghna Forage portfolio is going to get open and anyone can verify that. This way, my main focus is always to build a resume which has got credibility. That means to people can verify your work as well. So this way, guys, end-to-end placement assistance also you're going to get as a part of this program under my mentorship. I will be, guiding you and on a one-to-one basis, right? So that is why I told you it's a mentorship-based program as well that you will be enrolling for. Okay. So I hope you understand that. Along with this, let me also quickly show you some internship portals that we will be focusing upon over here, guys. Okay. So, okay, 34 seats have been reserved. One more seat got booked. Okay, so 34 seats have been booked, guys. One more seat has been booked as a part of this particular program. And I would like to welcome discounted. Okay, I would like to welcome Siddharth. Welcome to this program. And the proper batch is going to get formed by 5th and proper orientation by 6th. Guys, last one seat is remaining under scholarship amount. Total 6 seats are remaining over here. And this is procapitas.com. By the way, this is where we are going to do our dedicated virtual internship under their analytics department. It's a research and consulting portal. They publish multiple research podcasts. They publish multiple research articles as well. And guys, we're going to do dedicated virtual internship under procapitas.com over here. And you will directly get certified by procapitas.com also as a part of this particular program. Along with this is going to be our first virtual internship partner. Beyond this also, guys, we're going to do multiple other virtual internship that I am going to show you right now. Right, so let me quickly do that. Our second virtual internship, as you all know, will be with respect to Tata, will be with respect to other firms as well. So our second virtual internship over here is going to be with respect to Tata. Let us give it some time to open. This was with ProCapitas, right? This one is going to be with Tata. It's going to be a data visualization, empowering business with effective insights virtual internship, right? And you will directly get certified by Tata over here. It is going to be a job simulation internship. That means what all tasks a data analyst perform in their day-to-day life, we are going to simulate the same task in this virtual internship also. Along with this, guys, all these are the skills in which you will get certified. For example, visualization, data analysis, data interpretation, data visualization, charts and graph, directly by Tata over here. First of all, you will get an introductory video from Tata CCC officers, all our certificates and documents. You will get proper links as well so that you can include it in your resume and LinkedIn. All the tasks will be mentioned step by step. For example, task 1 will be framing the business scenario. We will learn how to frame the business scenario, right? What kind of business use case I am going to solve now, right? How to think from the perspective of business leaders. Task 2 will be choosing the right visuals for ourselves. We will learn how to choose the right visual. There are 4 type of visuals. Compositional visuals like stack bar chart, pie charts. Comparison visuals like bar charts, column charts. Relationship visuals like scatter plot. Distribution visuals like histograms. So we will learn which type of visual we should choose at what point of time. Task 3 will be creating effective visuals on tools like Tableau and Power BI, and our specialization is also in both Tableau and Power BI. And task 4 will be communicating insights and analysis. We are going to make sure that we communicate our insight to the senior leadership as well, right? That is also very important. And directly you will get certified by Tata. Our next virtual internship will be with Accenture over here in navigating numbers, where as a data analytics we will advise a social media client on their content strategy. It is also going to be a job simulation internship. And guys, these are all the skills in which you will get certified, like teamwork, strategy, project planning, data understanding, and so on. And this is a kind of certificate that you are going to get, powered by Forage through Accenture with your name directly mentioned over there. And that will boost your portfolio a lot. So under 6,999 plus GST, guys, again, end-to-end assistance you're going to get in virtual internships as well as a part of it. And I'm going to guide you end-to-end over here as well. Okay. Along with this proper, I would say a task will be given over here. Task 1 will be project understanding the responsibility and role of a data analyst. Task 2 will be data cleaning and data modeling, right? End-to-end data cleaning and data modeling we are going to learn. And task 3 will be data visualization and data storytelling, and task 4 will be presentation of your work to the client. So we will learn how to present our work as well to the senior leadership. So your soft skills are also going to get covered over here. All right. So this way, guys, we are going to complete our virtual internships as well. Along with this, again, our next virtual internship will be with, let's suppose, PwC Switzerland in Power BI. our specialization will also be in Power BI. It's going to be a job simulation internship. It's going to be a case study based internship that we are going to solve with Power BI over here. Okay. Uh, okay. All. Okay. Along with this, guys, these are all the skills that you will get certified. For example, self-reflection, defining KPIs, Power BI dashboard, insight actions, calculating measures, right? And over here also, you will get proper case study. For example, introduction to your project, to your data, to your peers. Task 2 will be understanding the call center trends, right? Task 3 will be building a Power BI dashboard so that we can increase the customer retention rate. And task 4 will be including the diversity and inclusion metrics for my client. And you will directly get certified by PwC Switzerland. And guys, Jobaj is an entire group in itself. It's not a learning portal, just a learning portal and so on. So I'll show you it's the entire group in itself. For example, Jobaj is a group, and over here we have got multiple portals. We have got proper machine and everything listed aligned. We have got our own job portal as well, connecting talent with opportunity. We have got our own learning portal as well, right? Our Ishan collaboration, our media portal as well, which is jobstories.com. So it's an entire group ecosystem that you are going to get access to as a part of this particular program. Along with this, we have got Jobaj Cares Fund as well. So a small portion of your investment in this particular program also goes to Jobaj Cares Fund. So Jobaj Cares run massive food drives, right? They distribute food. They run massive cleaning drives as well. These are all employees of Jobaj. Along with this, they also run massive feeding drives for animals, social awareness drives, right? Along with this, they run educational sponsoring drives as well, stationary sponsoring drives as well. So this way, guys, you see, it's an entire group with a proper mission and a proper vision that you will be enrolling for. So again, I wholeheartedly welcome you all as a part of it, guys, for the last few seats. I've been getting a very common question by a lot of you that can we refer our friends? So guys, you can do that. It's very simple. If you want to refer your friends and families, you simply have to go to the checkout link, enter the name of your friend, email ID of your friend, and phone number of your friend. Select any mode of payment, whether it is full amount or booking amount, and your friend or family seat will get reserved. You can forward this link as well to your friend, and they can also book the seat for themselves. You and your friend, both of you will get a referral scholarship also. For example, we have got a student called Aman, right? Aman refers her friend, let's suppose Ritika. So both of you will get 1,000 rupees referral scholarship as a part of this program, and the program will cost you 5,999 plus GST. If Aman will refer two friends, Ritika and Anuj, let's suppose. So Aman will get 2,000 rupees referral scholarship, and the friends will get 1,000 rupees referral scholarship. So this way, guys, maximum 3 friends and families you can refer per person. Again, under scholarship amount only. So again, as I told you, 1,000 rupees per each successful referrals you're going to get. I was not taking this question initially because first of all, I wanted students who are a part of this particular program or masterclass should book their seat. But now I think we can tell it. Okay. All right. Will I be learning in basic Excel? I'm new to this field. Right from basics, you're going to learn functions, formulas, panes in Excel. Again, data analysis, pivot table, Power Query, Power Pivot, dashboard, lookup, indexing, everything step by step. You're going to learn in Excel 7 per mark. Don't worry on that. Okay. Apart from this, guys, any other career related question you want to ask, anything that you want to discuss with respect to this particular program, feel free to do that. I am more than happy to guide you and assist you. One seat is remaining under scholarship amount. Total 6 seats are remaining. And again, I will be here for 4 more minutes. Any question you want to ask, feel free to ask it. Okay. Our day two will be on Monday 7 p.m. Right? Monday 7 p.m. All right.